All parties discussed are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This analysis is based on publicly available case status and procedural facts. We do not accuse, we analyze the legal process. And please keep in mind, the content presented in this episode is for informational and educational purposes only. It is based on publicly available records, filings, and news reports. We are not attorneys, and nothing discussed here should be interpreted as legal advice or factual determination of guilt or innocence. All parties mentioned are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please sit back and enjoy the show.
Practice on my YouTube. Yo, it's your boy MO3. Man, we're live. We're going down. I can't say that with cash shit. Hold up. Yo, what it is, man? It's your boy MO3 live in a Dallas Metro Play. And if you're tuned in, then that shit whack in the bill. Hell no, fuck. Go ahead and drop this shit, bitch.
God. On bubble, nigga. 3G4L, nigga. Look. Another state with the game. Got my foot in the sand. Don't mention me in none of your comments. Go pick up your man. Slide and don't say nothing. They go fuck on the bitch. All they know Fats in jail, but they don't know what he did. Fuck the comments in the post. This is real life. If I ever catch a op, he gon' die that night. Bro be tryna tell me chill. No, I ain't living right. But he know I'm for the smoke, so don't believe the hype. If I got a step, then it is what it is. Balenciaga print. When I drop the little bitch, got it. Walk over him, and we won't say nothing. Fuck getting them touched, bitch, I'ma crush him. That's what I'm
saying. Body bags, I'm corrupted by homicide. Stuck in war, I'm just trying to get you dropped in somebody. Telling the gang it's only us, don't let them in. We do it on taking back 3 on everybody ain't my friend. So I'm riding with this crime. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner, so I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got. Lay in your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah.
100 pounds, I broke them down, I swear I ran through them. And if a nigga want them problems, we gon' tend to him. I'm in the trenches, relax, chillin' with my feet up in my handgun. Niggas just be talking, but I ain't saying nothing. I was taught to watch these niggas and keep a pistol. I be damned if I start laying with my nigga, even though I miss him. Niggas acting like bitches, I don't understand them, I don't get them. Got it straight out the trenches with some niggas that'll come kill. Remember when my granny told me I'm a man now? She seen a nigga go get it without no hand down. I'm a real nigga, hands down. Stay focused, ain't got time to be playing around. That's a spaceship he in, I can hear what they saying now. Good cushion and L, designer symbols all on my belts. Look in the mirror, boy, you good? Yeah, I'm just talking to myself. I just be thinking about the hood, like how I came up from there. And we ain't going back, no cost account, I promise, I swear. Yeah, I been going in early in the morning, stacking up this paper till this shit start getting boring. I kill you, that's warning. My niggas be on it. All the fucking money got these bitches acting horny.
Body bags, I'm corrupted by homicide. Stuck in war, I'm just trying to get you dropped in somebody. Telling the gang it's only us, don't let them in. We do it on taking back 3 on everybody ain't my friend. So I'm riding with this crime. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner, so I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got. Lay in your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah.
Oh man, it's going down. Get near. Let's go. Oh man. Oh motherfucking man. I'm rubbing my hands like Birdman. Get near, get MFing near, man. First of all, man, salute to everybody in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all can hear me good. Hope I ain't too loud. Hope I ain't too low. You know what I'm saying? Salute to the love over there on Twitch. I see Miss Pooh Bear. Salute to Lovey Love for showing love over there on Twitch. Salute to Sheila. Salute to Sheila, man, for the $5 contribution towards the goal and for renewing her membership, man. She been rocking out with the gang for 5 whole months. And salute to Charlene Smith for the $9.99 contribution towards the goal, man. You know what I'm saying? We most definitely have a goal. Y'all know how we get over here, man. You know what I'm saying? Five super chat. 10 super chats, $5 or more. You know what I'm saying? Well, hey, even if you want to send $1, that's cool, man. Hey, if you want to send $100, that's most definitely cool, man. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate all the love, man. Let's go, Lala's World. I see y'all over there on Twitch, man. Look, we got some breaking news, man. Y'all better go tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Legal Chess about to bust this case wide open. Pause. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see the title. Y'all see the title. We got some things to talk about, man. You know what I'm saying? This case, this MO3 case, this MO3 trial, Mike has just got flipped on his head. This MO3 case, this MO3 trial might have got flipped on his head, man. Look, make sure y'all hit the like button. Make sure y'all hit the like button, man. Hit the like button. Share the live out. Man, support the goal, man. You know what I'm saying? Support the goal. Help us achieve the goal, man. You know what I'm saying? We be up, man. We be on it. We be on it, man. You know what I'm saying? We deserve a little love, man. You know what I'm saying? But most definitely hit the like button. Share the live. Turn up. Breaking news, man. Breaking news. We about to go down through there, but y'all know we got to turn up first, man. So if you hit the like button, put a gorilla in the chat. If you didn't hit the like button, then come back and put a gorilla in the chat. Let's go, man, because it's been a long time coming for the third, man. Long live Osama, and most definitely long live Melvin Noble Jr., man. Salute to the people, man. Salute to Big Sis Sunshine with their $4.99 contribution, man. And salute to Miss Pooh for her $4.99 contribution, man, getting us one step closer to completing our goal, man. Salute to y'all, man. Salute to everybody in the building. I hope everybody is having a blessed beginning of the week. It's Monday, man, and it's definitely some madness going on, man. Like I told y'all, man, breaking news, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot going on. And things just got heated up a little bit more. We gonna take y'all down through there, man. Like my boy Memphis Most Wanted said in the chat, man, y'all finna hear it first on Room 901. Y'all finna hear it first on Room 901. You know what I'm saying? So trust me, it's gonna be other bloggers who gonna take this and do their thing with it. Hey, most definitely do your thing. Let this go from here to the goddamn mountaintop. You feel me? But y'all finna hear it first on Room 901. So if you're in the building, don't go nowhere. Matter of fact, go get a friend, go get your cousin, whoever you know that's been following this trial, and tell them it's going down, man. Some breaking news. I'm excited. We got a couple things to discuss with y'all, and we most definitely got some breaking news, man. But we about to turn up one more time. We about to turn up one more time for MO3, man. For MO3, the man of the hour. We would not be here. I wouldn't even know a lot of y'all if it weren't for MO3. So we finna turn up for MO3. What you doing?
Let's go. Break it down.
Baby, you could have pulled up. You could have pulled up on the thing. You didn't have to say that through my microphone. See, y'all already know what type of episode this gonna be. Y'all already know what type of episode. See, she came all the way in the living room to talk through my microphone when she backstage. God bless her heart, man. But look, turn up in this bitch. Hit the like button, man. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Y'all help us complete the goal. You know what I'm saying? Renew your membership. Get a membership, whatever the case may be. But, man, turn up in this bitch. That's what I want you to do, man. Yeah. You hear me? We in here. We are in here, man, on a beautiful Monday, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a sunny day out here at H-Time. Salute to everybody, man. Salute to everybody in the building. You know what I'm saying? Yes, CB already turned. She already lit. She already feeling the vibes, man. You know what I'm saying? We hope and pray that y'all are doing good as well, man. Heavy on the pray, because before we say anything else, y'all know God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. Amen. Because this is a faith-based platform. You know what I'm saying? No disrespect to anybody that believe in anything different. Hey, no disrespect to you. As long as you're living right, that's the main goal. You know what I'm saying? We all gonna get to the same place as long as you're living right. But as for me and my household, like the Bible say, we would praise the Lord. So God is good. God, we thank you for the day. All right. So let's get into the getting to it. All right, let's get into the get into it, man. You feel me? Hit the like button, family. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. My boy John Doe said, better be clean. when I come through. It's a must. You feel me? Better be clean, man. You know what I'm saying? But let me get to the shout outs, man. We got one hell of a show in store for y'all today, man. We got one. If you are here today, you know what I'm saying? Y'all about to be introduced to some exclusive information. All right? Y'all about to be introduced to some exclusive information. All right? You know what I'm saying? So if y'all hear this anywhere else, man, you know what I'm saying? Let them know, man. Room 901 most definitely. Room 901 most definitely brought this to y'all first, but y'all know, you know what I'm saying, the first line of order is to shout out these beautiful souls in the chat. You feel me? So let's get that started, man. First and foremost, salute to Sheila Alston in the building. Man, most definitely letting her presence be known and felt, man. You know what I'm saying? By supporting the platform as always. Salute to Miss Sheila, man. You feel me? We got who is this? Tyrell. Tyree, salute
Lynch.
Tyree Lynch, man. Salute to Tyree Lynch, man. You know what I'm saying? All the way from B More. Let's get it, man. You already know, man. A party ain't a party without Big Sis 4L in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Love your sis. You know what I'm saying? We got making moves in the building, man. My boy that put a picture to the guy. Now we know that you a male. Let's go making moves. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? We got the sis, man. Gang. We got Pretty Problem in the building, man. What's up with you, Nisha? You know what I'm saying? We got my boy Amir in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Amir, man. We got Charlene Smith in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Already letting her presence be felt, just like Miss Pooh Bear. Already letting her presence be felt, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to y'all, man. Salute to y'all in the building, man. Living Love been over there cutting up on the Twitch, man. Showing all that love, man. Candace Wig. What's up with you, K-Dub?
KW.
What's up with you, girl? You know what I'm saying? Salute to you, man. We got Miss B over there, man. Yes, Miss B, please share us out. We most definitely appreciate you, man. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy, Hometown in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Memphis Most Wanted is in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? 901 is in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, man. Let's go, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button for us, please. We got MJS in the building, man. Salute to MJS in the building. We got the pimp, like a pimp, freaking C in the building, dog. What's up with your pimp? What's up with your pimping? You know what I'm saying? We got Dum Dum. What's up with your sis in the building, man? Let's go, man. We got G Money.
Let's go, G Money.
In the building, man. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy Northside Trail in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to the North, man. Salute to the North. Whatever North you represent, salute to it, man. We got Lala's World over there cutting up on Twitch, man. Salute to the Twitchers, man. Salute to y'all over there on Twitch, man. We got my boy Cool Cup TV in the building, man. LLC. Let me make sure I say that. LLC. You hear me? Established with the business. Let's go, my guy. Let's get it, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, man. We got Tats Wifey type in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Fellas, she said she's the wifey type. You hear me? Let's go, man. Let's get it.
Tats wifey type. Tats. We don't know if Tats is a person, Tat. So she could be Tats wifey type.
Hey, but she's still a wifey type. You know what I'm saying? The most important. You know, fellas. You hear what I said, fellas. You know, I'm just playing. Let me slow down. Brown sugar, baby.
Let's go.
The building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute. What's up with your sis? Let's get it, man. We got the sis Copper Sunshine in the building, man. She said, hey, family, I'm listening but busy. Wanted to pop in the chat and say, hey, let's go, Copper Sunshine, man. She most definitely let her presence be felt with her contribution towards the goal, man. Family, do not forget, we most definitely have a goal, man, set. We most definitely, I see you, Big Red Diva, Mama Red.
Mama Red, we love you.
That's my YouTube mama right there coming through with the $5. I can't scroll to it because I'm at the top of the chat, but I most definitely see it on my phone.
Thank you, Mama Red.
Thank you, man. You know what I'm saying? Where we at on the likes, man? We had 79 likes, man. Let's get to 100 likes, at least 100 likes, family.
Let's go, family. Come on, family. We breaking y'all great content. Come on.
Let's get it. We can do it. We can most definitely do it. Queen. What's up with your queen? What's up with your girl? You know what I'm saying? Slow walking guy. Got my bro in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, my guy. You know what I'm saying? We got positive vibes in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing but positive vibes over here, man. We ain't playing with no negativity. You feel me? Positive vibes always, man. You feel me? Let's go, man. We got my boy Slide for 3 in the building, man. That boy over there icy. He over there iced out watching legal checks. That boy say he got all his jewelry on. Let's get it, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to my gang, my bro, Slide for 3. We got Scorekeeper in the building representing 901, supporting the channel on Twitch as always. If you ain't got a wrench over there on Twitch, Scorekeeper, I gotta get you right. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna make sure you right over there.
Yes,
oh shit. Right. Oh shit, we got my boy. One wretched ass nigga in the building, but you already know, bro. It's 2 wretched ass niggas in the building, but you the first one. So salute to my boy, one wretched ass nigga, man. You feel me? Let me turn my notifications down on my phone. ESPN over here going hammer. You know what I'm saying? And salute to Mama Red for getting that membership. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Mama. And you know we love you, Mama. Yes. You know we love you. That's my Baton Rouge Mama right there, baby. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Mama Red, man, for supporting the channel with the $5 contribution and a membership on top of that, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Who else we got in the building, man? We got that dude, 7'3", in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. We got Alicia Strong in the building. I have never seen Alicia spelled like that. So you are very unique. You know what I'm saying? I was finna say electricity or something. Salute to Alicia. I ain't never seen it spelled like that, man. Salute to you, love. That's a unique spelling of that name. You know what I'm saying? Salute to East Texas Pharaoh 903. In the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to your gang. Salute to East Texas as well, man. Salute to the whole Texas, man, from the DF Dub to Austin, San Antonio to wherever the hell y'all at, man. Salute to the whole Texas in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Who else we got in here? Who else we got in here, man? Don't forget to hit the like button, family. Don't forget to hit the like button. We got A1 since day one. Leisha B in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. And the B stand for been real. You feel me? The B stand for been real. You hear me? This is one of my day one moderators, man, for a channel y'all don't even know about way back in Hustle House Media days, man. She been rocking out with the gang, man. Let's get it, man. You know what I'm saying? We got the good sis, Strong Survive in the building, man. Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? We got somebody who sent their very first super chat. In the who is this? Dallas, truth be told, came through with the 99 cent, man. Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. We appreciate that. I can't highlight it because I'm at the top of the chat, but we most definitely appreciate it, man. Like we tell y'all, the goal is $5, 10 super chats, $5 or more. But goddamn, if you want to send $1, if you want to send $100, anything is plenty, man. We most definitely appreciate that 99 cent. You feel me? We most definitely appreciate that, man. You hear me? Let's go, man. We got Kimberly in the building. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? We are most definitely lit today, y'all. We are most definitely lit. We got some breaking news. Breaker 1212. We got some breaking news for y'all today, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to the good sis, Nee Banks in the building. Hey, you know what I'm saying? What's up with your knee? You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, man. Who else we got in here? Who else do we have in here? Let's go, man. I'm scrolling. A lot of repeat typers. It's good, though. Let's get it, man. We got straight balling. Be a baller. Shot caller. Salute to my boy Straight Balling, man. Representing Sidewalk Gang, a.k.a. Scale Gang. Salute to the whole Scale Gang. I know y'all being there just rocking out with us tough. I am an honorary member of the Scale Gang, Sidewalk Gang. Not an official member. I'm an honorary member. You feel me? Salute to my boy Straight Balling in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to my boy Mahel. He gonna be pulling through her with the eyes or something when he get a chance to. I already know he is, man. Salute to John Doe in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. We got Denise, me please. You know what I'm saying? Denise, me please. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, Denise. She's all the disrespect because there's only one Lord and Savior. Oh, hey, man, to that. You hear me? And salute again to Mama Red. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Mama Red already letting her presence be felt, man. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy, Big Roast in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to my boy, Big Roast in the building, man. We still on y'all top with their R&B verses. Don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? We'll probably be doing it this Saturday. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry about nothing. Don't worry about nothing. We still on y'all top, my brother. You know what I'm saying? Who else we got in here, man? Who else we got? Oh, shit. Went from one funk to another. We hollered at Big Roast over there in the funk. Now we going over here to Stop 6 to holler at my boy, Rudy motherfucking G in the building, man. Oh, he said, Trill nigga alert. Hold on. I got you, man. Hold on. I got you, Rudy G. This for all my bros in the building, man. Let me get to it.
Walked in, ill nigga alert, ill nigga alert.
Let's go.
Salute to my bro, Stop 6, Rudy G, and all the fellas in the building, man. Hold on, I couldn't even do that. Salute to all the women in the building, too, man.
That's right, baby. That's what you do. Every time I hear that, I think of RoboCop. That's right, baby. That's what you do.
Y'all know that's right.
That's right. That's what you do, man. Salute to all the ladies in the building, man. Did I lose my thing while I'm playing back here? Did I lose where I was at back here?
You lost your touch.
Let me see. Hold on. Nah, I didn't.
Okay.
I didn't. Here we go. All right, I'm back because I see. Okay, there we go. We back. Salute to Big Mama 214 in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? She said the stiff in the building. What's good? Salute to the stiff Cliff in the building, man. Salute to the Oak Cliff business. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy Adam in the building, man. What's up, big dog? You know what I'm saying? We got my boy Cleveland Grave Digger in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to your gang. We got Uncle G in the building. What's up with your uncle? You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. We got Patricia Brown in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? We got Phaedra in the building. She said she working and listening. You know what I'm saying? Salute to everybody that's still at work. You know what I'm saying? I hope we help y'all get through y'all work day, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Phaedra, man. We got my boy.
You happy to see I made it home safely. Thank you so much. And thank y'all for y'all prayers. I appreciate it.
Most definitely, man. We got my boy T. Lee in the building, dog. Salute to T. Lee in the building, man. We got my boy Bex in the building, dog. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. We got Shanice Davis in the building, man. What's up with your girl? I see you. You know what I'm saying? Who we got? Oh, Lord. 901 in the building. Big P Business, Nation Business is in the building, man. Salute to Tangalang. What's up with your girl? You know what I'm saying? What's up with your P? All is well, P. You know what I'm saying? Salute to the gang right there, man. We got Kimberly Black in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is in the building, dog. Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? We got Boogie. Boogie, what's up with your girl? Boogie Forever in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to you. Moni Bags is in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? One of my favorite people from the other side. You hear me? Salute to Moni Bags, man. You know what I'm saying? She gonna hold it down for hers, and guess what? It's motherfucking respected. You feel me? Salute to Moni Bags, man. You know what I'm saying? AB, the motherfucking G, is in the building. She said she's headed to the house, driving and listening. Where everybody is driving, make sure y'all drive safe, man. You know what I'm saying? What's up with your sis? You know what I'm saying? What's up with you? Tony Polk in the building, man. What's up with you, dog? You know what I'm saying? Oh, shit. Oak Cliff B in the building with the $4.99 contribution, man. He said, Sup Johnson CB. I don't have a membership tester, but I follow faithfully. Finally caught sight y'all was live. Let's cook. Oh, hey, Oak Cliff.
We cooking today.
We most definitely cooking. We got all the pots and pans out. We got Kool-Aid spoons, spatulas. Everything is out for this episode, my guy. Appreciate that $4.99 contribution. If you need help grabbing a membership, let me know in the chat, and we'll most definitely help you out. But we most definitely appreciate that $4.99 contribution, man, getting us one step closer to our goal, man. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, where the goal go? I don't see the goal up here no more.
It's 7 out of 10. 3 more super chats to hit the goal.
Okay, there you go. 3 more $5 super chats, man, and we'll have the goal completed, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to everybody in the building, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button as well, man. And salute to, hold on, let's make sure we got everybody. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Blaine Wayne in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. I'm officially at the bottom of the chat, man. Salute to everybody Once again, man, if I miss you, chart it to my head, not my heart, because y'all know Big Josh love you. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know CB love you. You know what I'm saying? But we excited, man. We are excited to deliver this content to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? We are excited to deliver this content to y'all, man. Make sure y'all hit the like button. It's over 200 in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let the likes match the love, man. Before we even get into the episode, hit the like button so you can kick your feet up and enjoy the show. You feel me? So, all right, baby. Where shall we start? Where shall we start, man? You know what I'm saying? Cause Big Ben, I see you, big dog, coming in here. I see you, big dog. You know what I'm saying? I see you, gang. You know what I'm saying? We got some breaking news, y'all. So don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. But y'all, at first, we most definitely have a board set up for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna hand the keys over to the beloved, the love, CB to G, baby. Cook up while you do your thing, baby. I'm finna sit back and, you know. So do your thing.
All right. So first, y'all, I wanted to start off.
Hold on. My bad. I forgot. They're gonna be reminding us in the chat. Salute the brown sugar man for the not brown sugar man, but salute the brown sugar baby. You know what I'm saying? For the $4.99 contribution, getting us one step close to the goal, man. So all we need now is 2 more of them things like that or more. You know what I'm saying? It could be $10, $20, but $5 or more and help us complete the goal for this live, man. Erica Kane, what's up with you, love? Hold on, I said Josh said 7. I got to bounce to watch my Spurs. Wow, man. Get out, man. Come on with the Spurs, man. It's big Lakers over here. Big Lakers business over here, man. You know what I'm saying? But do your thing, gang. Do your thing. All right, so boom. Let's get into this, man. But before we get into it, you know they're gonna remind us. So we gotta say it. Family, grab y'all pad, grab y'all pen, because CB and Josh is about to go the fuck in. Now, we got a board set up for y'all first. Then we going to come with the breaking news. All right? We finna introduce the board set up for y'all because some other things to hit the docket. You know what I'm saying? That piggybacks off with some things we've been talking about. Then after this, we most definitely getting into the breaking news. All right? Let's go, baby. I'm going to shut my mouth.
So welcome, family. Welcome. I'm so happy that y'all are here with us today on this beautiful Monday. Welcome to MO3 Legal Chess, episode number 32. A deal on the table? Kiwan White's next move could change everything. All right? So
everything.
Like my wonderful man said, we have the board set up first. I wanted to show y'all a few documents. Now, everybody that has been here should be familiar with this particular document, which is the amended notice, right, of extraneous evidence. We have been through this multiple times, so I will not take y'all through everything. But as y'all can see, this is the document that has the timeline where they're introducing prior convictions or prior charges against Yellow Beezy, certain music, certain lyrics, timelines, things like that. Okay, so everybody should be familiar with that particular document. Okay. So with that being said, we're familiar with this particular document with the timeline in it, right? Yes. These documents was introduced. I have 2 of them for you in the docket. All right. I mean, these particular documents were introduced in the document. And what these particular documents are the state's notice of intent to use business record accompanied by the affidavit. All right. Now let's keep in mind, family, we've seen this before. Okay, we have seen the state's notice of intent to use business records accompanied by an affidavit, but this one is a little bit different. Okay, this one is a little bit different, and I just want y'all to see it. I'll read the first page of this particular document, and then we have another document that's the same kind of, but it's a little bit different. All right, it looks the same, but it's a little bit different. So this right here says Google, March 2nd, 2026. Task Force Officer Homicide Detective Eric Barnes, Dallas Police Department, 1400 South Lamar Street, Dallas, Texas, 75215. Reply, RE, as y'all can see. Search warrant dated January 29, 2026. It gives the Google reference number and, like a little case number right there, right? So it says, Dear Task Force Officer Homicide Detective Barnes, pursuant to the search warrant issued in the above referenced matter, we have conducted a diligent search for documents and information accessible on Google systems that are responsive to your request. Our response is made in accordance with the state and federal law, including the Electronic Communications Privacy Act. And it gives, some breakdowns, right? Well, as we get more into the document, right, I'm going to move over to the next page. As you can see, we have the certificate of authenticity, and then I'll go to the next page, which will be slide 4 of this particular document. It shows you where it starts. So it lets them know, I am qualified to be able to introduce this information. This is the record custodian of Google, all right? As we go on into the document, we can see different files. Some of them are zip files, family, from YouTube, different music, Android profiles, Google membership, things to YouTube channels. Just take a look. You know what I'm saying? I'm briefly going through this because this is our board setup, but we do have some breaking news for y'all, okay?
Yeah, don't go nowhere. This is just the board setup. You know what I'm saying? We got to make sure we keep track of the things we talk about.
Correct. So just showing y'all the document I'm just going through. I'll pull this one down and I'll pull the second document up, which is what in my particular computer is called document number 37. And it is another state's notice of intent to use business records as well. As y'all can see, as we go through, this is another, basically saying, hey, Detective Barnes, this is us introducing this information, authenticated, things of that nature. All right. We go forward. And we do see the letter. We see the certificate of authenticity. And again, we also see different channels, YouTube things, YouTube videos. Some of these are zip files. Some of them are, like I said, memberships to YouTube channels, different things. We
got some Instagram in there, got some Facebook in there, I believe. Got all those things.
Got a lot of different things. So with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about what these means, and then we'll get into the breaking news, all right? So what each document is doing, all right? First, I showed y'all the amended notice of extraneous evidence. This is the state telling the defense, we may try to introduce other bad acts, prior incidents, gang evidence, online media, and few related material beyond the charged murder itself. It specifically says the state may offer evidence that Conway is violent, associates with harmful people, use firearms. He's tied to the Crip/GRC and use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and music to promote gang affiliation and lifestyle. It also lays out a few timeline between Conway and his associates and Melvin Noble and his associates with interviews, songs, shootings, and social media content tied into the timeline. All right.
That's the extraneous evidence. For those that may not remember, or this may be your first time here, that is the document that we showed y'all that had the timeline feed. Remember, we went through the videos and all of that, where it says the Roy Lee Hector, all of that stuff. It had a bunch of YouTube videos on there, Instagram posts, a lot of those things on there. So just for we can be following.
Okay, in the Google business records notice that I just showed y'all, right? These are not by themselves the fused story. They are proof packages. The state filed a Rule 90210 notice saying it intends to use Google business records, accompanied by affidavit from Google Records custodian Daniel Holler. The Google response says it was produced pursuant to a January 29th, 2026 search warrant for material tied to 2 specific YouTube identifiers, and it includes a certificate of authenticity plus hash values for the produced files. Now, the file names listed in the Google production matter. They show categories like access log activity, devices, Google account change history, subscriber info, linked Android profile, YouTube channels, comments made by users, playlists, subscribers and their subscriptions, user settings, also uploads. That tells us that the state was not just looking for a single video. It appears to have sought account level YouTube data that could connect uploaded content to a particular account and potentially to a device and user history, y'all.
So how does this tie in to the amended? baby?
Well, I got that answer for you. How they connect to each other, right? So the amended notice of extraneous evidence and these two documents that we showed, the Google business records, this is the likely chain, all right? This is how they connect to each other. Step one, the state identifies the feud-related online content it wants to use under 404B, right? Which is extraneous evidence theory. Step two, it lists the content in the amended extraneous notice as part of the feud timeline and gang lifestyle evidence. Step three, it then files the Google business record notices to authenticate YouTube-related records tied to at least two YouTube identifiers. So the state can argue those videos, posts, uploads, comments, channel records are genuine and attributable, okay? So in chess terms, the extraneous evidence notice is the attack plan. All right. The Google business record filings are the supply line and chain of custody shield. Okay. The state is trying to avoid standing at trial with only screenshots, reposts, or everybody knows that this was his page. It wants platform back records.
Basically, so we seen the extraneous evidence, the timeline where they gave us the videos, the music videos, the interviews, and things of that nature. So now the state brought in this business affidavit, which is basically authenticating, proving that these videos, this stuff from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram came from authenticated pages and places like that.
Correct. Salute, Mahel. Mahel, stay here. We got breaking news. Stay here, Mahel. Don't go nowhere.
Ooh, boy, Mahel. Boy, we salute to my big dog Mahel in the building, man. Salute to everybody coming in. We most definitely got some breaking news, but we got to do the board setup first. What's up, Layleezy, baby?
Hey, Layleezy. So with that being said, what's the state's apparent plan? All right. From these felons alone, the state's apparent plan looks like this. The state wants to tell a motive, the context story. The extraneous notice frames a long-running feud, gang affiliation, violent associations, firearm use, and music and social media promotion as relevant context to the homicide investigation of Melvin Noble Jr. All right?
Let's go.
The state wants authenticated digital proof. The Google filings suggest prosecutors want more than public clips. They want records from Google that can help show a video and channel existed. It was tied to a specific account identifier. The content was uploaded through that account, and there may be metadata, device associations, or account history material that helps that attribution. All right?
Let's go.
So the state wants to reduce the authentication fights. By using Rule 90210, business records with a custodian affidavit, the state is setting up an argument that these are self-authenticating records instead of having to build authenticity from scratch through a live Google witness for every team. The Google letter also says a custodian could be subpoenaed if needed for trial testimony.
And why is this important? Because we know, and for those that's been following us, and if it's your first time here, don't worry about it. We got you covered. So there was a pretrial, right? Y'all remember the 3-6 pretrial, right? Where all of these motions, you know what I'm saying, specifically the one we talk about today, the extraneous evidence and stuff like that was being fought at the pretrial, right? The judge did not rule on any of these things during that pretrial. She did at first, but she said it was an error. She would rule on them at a later date. So what they did now is, and we can move on after this. We didn't kind of explain it enough. You know what I'm saying? So what they did, what they did was they went and got the authentication for those videos, interviews, music videos from Google, YouTube, Facebook, wherever they need them from. So now they can fight it at the trial without it looking like random screenshots, random posts. They have the authenticity behind them, which strengthen their chances of getting those videos in their timeline brought into being admissible into court as motive evidence.
Correct.
All right?
Correct.
So I know that was very technical. But we got to make sure we following up with y'all on what's going on. You know what I'm saying? It ain't no telling what type of information y'all get. Because when people see paperwork, they just put it up there and they tell y'all what they think it means. But y'all know over here in room 901, we going to tell y'all exactly what it is. All right? All right. Boom. So, let me put this banner back up. You good, baby?
I'm good.
All right. So now let's cook. Enough of the technical, the geek, the technical geek. You know what I'm saying? Enough of that. Enough of that. Enough of that. Because the people are here for the breaking news. Now I put the banner back at the bottom of the screen for a reason. All right. Make sure when y'all come in, make sure y'all read the ticker at the bottom. All right. Because at the ticker at the bottom, when it come back around, you're gonna see I put in there MO3 Legal Chess, episode 32, Kiwan White. It is now or never. Kiwan White. It is now or never. But you can also click out click out of the live and read the title. This is MO3 Legal Chess, episode 32. A deal on the table? Is there a deal on the table? Kiwan White's next move could change everything. Could change everything. All right. So most definitely grab y'all pad, grab y'all pen. CB and Josh is about to go the fuck in, man. Hit the like button, hit the like button, hit the like button, family. I think we need like 2 more super chats, $5 or more. $5 or more, man, to help us complete the goal, man. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, man, you know what I'm saying? Help a player out. Help your boy out, man. You feel me? Help your boy out, man. Help us complete that goal. Grab a membership or something. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you feel in your heart you want to do, just do it, man. Anything is plenty, man. You feel me? But most definitely hit that like button. All right. All right, so let's get into it. So how do I want to start this? It's only right that we show y'all how we got up to this point, right, family? It's only... Sis, you heard it right. A deal, bro, mind blowing for sure. You hear me?
333.
Hey, 333. So ain't that the truth? You know what I'm saying? Yes, Joe Black. What's up, big homie? You know what I'm saying?
Black?
So it's only right, man. It's only right that we show y'all. Alicia B. Hey, grab your pad, grab your pen. It's only right, family, that we show y'all how we got up to this point. What's up, Courtney Thompson? You know what I'm saying?
What's up, Courtney?
It's only right that we show y'all how we got to this point. All right. So let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Let me do my job real quick. You know what I'm saying? And then CB gonna come back with the follow up and cook. Y'all know how we get down over here. You know what I'm saying?
Indeed. Yes, indeed.
All right. So do I want to do the tab? I'll do the tab. Let me do the tab. So I can
You gonna do the tab, baby? Yeah, everybody get near. If you haven't hit that like button, hit that like button, y'all. Hit that like button. We do have breaking news. Hit that like button.
All right, so let's pull this up. Boom. All right. Let's go. Let's get it. All right. So it's only right that we show y'all how we got to where we at today, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Mr. Law on TV. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Mr. Law on TV. You know what I'm saying? We are about to just take a look at his YouTube channel for a minute. All right. So we're going to start with where is it, man? Did they delete it? Hold on. Oh, no, my bad. I didn't click on the channel. That's the first fuck up. Let me click on the channel, Josh. Duh. Click on the channel. All right, so let's go to Mr. Law YouTube channel. All right, we about to walk down memory lane for a second. Play a couple lives. You know what I'm saying? Play a couple clips and sound bites from some lives. You know what I'm saying?
And Mr. Lawton's link is in the chat. So if you would like to follow Mr. Lawton, go ahead and hit that link. It is in the chat.
All right. Boom. So I ain't going to play this one. But I do want y'all to pay attention because we got to show y'all the lead up. The build up is everything. You know what I'm saying? The build up is everything. All right, let me pause there. But I want y'all to pay attention to the title. Pay attention to the title right here. You know what I'm saying? Clearing the air. Monday.
You know AI can do incredible things, but this isn't. With Artlist's AI.
We ain't doing that. All right, the title says Clearing the Air. Monday changes everything. Kewon speaks on Big T and his next move. All right? So this was the first live. And in this live, Kewon was supposed to get into something. But he talked about the Big T, Boosie being shot at Big T, whatever. But he never really talked about what was supposed to happen that Monday. All right? Now, we know nothing happened that Monday. All right? So, but, you know, it gave me looking at it and how I follow. Okay, Kewon is thinking about something. Monday changes everything. All right, so let's go back. Now let's play a couple lives. Let's play a couple of little lives. All right, so which one I'm looking for first? Let's go to the Reckoning Part 2. All right, let's go to the Reckoning Part 2. All right, let me make sure I get to the timestamps and everything. Now, y'all forgive me because there will be ads in this. You know what I'm saying? But y'all just bear with me. You know what I'm saying? Let's get to this one. Let's get to this one. Let's go to 102.07. And please, family, hit the like button, hit the like button, hit the like button. Please, 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 and thank you. All right, hold on. Let's get it. What is it? 07. God damn it. All right, we'll just start right here. We'll just start right here. We'll just start right here. All right. So you see my boy Mahale up there? You know what I'm saying? You see my boy Loudon up there? Then you see old Big Josh down there at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Down there at the bottom. Pause. All right, so let's play. Let's press play.
It make me want to even tell a lot on this.
Hold on. Because I want to make sure y'all heard the whole thing. Damn, why they won't let me? Yeah, we'll start right here. Yeah.
They didn't even put up a fight.
Yeah.
And this is my thing
Because you know why? Because it wasn't no need to, because it was all assumption. So it's like a give and take type thing. You know what I'm saying? But you know, it all got all.
I'm gonna tell y'all this. I ain't seen nothing to even make me want to even tell a lot on this. I ain't seen nothing yet, and my lawyer.
This call will be terminated in 1 minute.
If I had something important to show you, you would have been seen it.
That's understood.
We ain't here to waste time. We ain't here to waste time. If it's something, because my lawyer go through this shit by herself, and she do what she do, and she bring me the most important shit to let me know what's going on. And I ain't seen nothing, bro. I done seen some fucked up shit in that bitch, don't get me wrong, but I ain't seen nothing that make me just like, oh, man. Nah, I ain't.
So you worried about Bodega testifying against you?
I'm not worried about him because what's the motive you testifying? Why are you telling? Why are you lying? What made you want to do this? It's a reason you're doing this. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. I'm not worried about him. He's the least factor.
All right, so boom. The key piece that I want y'all to pay attention to in this portion, right? Kewon said, man, he haven't seen anything. Kewon saying his lawyer hasn't shown him anything that'll make him wanna lie. Y'all, and for those that know, Kewon say lie instead of snitch, because at this point he's still holding on to I don't know nothing, so I can't tell. I just be lying on niggas. So when Kewon say lie on a nigga, he mean tell on a nigga. So Kewon said his lawyer haven't brought him anything. He haven't seen anything that'll make him snitch. Kewon said he haven't seen anything that'll make him say, oh man. Oh man. All right. So, you know what I'm saying? So we won't have to go through the whole videos, right? So after this, I end up telling Kiwan White my theory. I end up telling Kiwan White's my theory. You know what I'm saying? My theory. And I told him basically, y'all, some of y'all may have heard it too over here in Room 901. You know what I'm saying? I told him basically, look, Jose Bodega is going to testify. We know this is already given. It's executed. He's already cooperating, already participating. You feel me? Jerry Johnson, they're not, it's my theory. I could be wrong, but Jerry Johnson is not going to actually take the stand. Too vulnerable, too easy to discredit him because he's indicted in this case. So they're not going to, they probably won't allow Jerry Johnson to approach the stand, but they will have Jerry Johnson to cooperate, right? So Jerry Johnson is going to cooperate, lead them to certain information. Jose Bodega is going to be the one to take the stand and corroborate the information that Jerry Johnson gives them. All right. And when I told Kewon this, he most definitely had an all man moment. He went from saying, man, I ain't seen nothing, my lawyer ain't told me nothing that make me say, oh man, to this right here. Hold on, let's get to it. He said, my lawyer ain't showed me nothing. I ain't seen nothing. I ain't heard nothing. Did it make me say, oh, man? Then the next thing you know, I told him that. And then it got to this.
Hey, man.
What they say?
But that nigga ain't gonna lie.
Huh? Say what?
Bro, that nigga Josh, man, I probably just tell you, bro. That nigga Josh did some shit, and when I seen this, okay, look, I'm gonna just say this. When I seen it, I'm saying, how can I say it without giving them? I'm trying to see how can I say it without giving them the shit, but giving them a drop. Okay. I had a phone call with somebody, right? And a lot of shit was exposed to me. So when I got off the phone call, I was...
God damn, nigga.
It hung up. But so I'm gonna give y'all, he gonna call back. But I'm gonna give y'all a quick rundown on what this is the episode where Kewon talked about him having a FaceTime phone call with Jerry Johnson and Jose Bodega. You know what I'm saying? He hit the K2, and that's when it all came to him, right? So Kewon was so caught off guard by my theory that I just told y'all. Jerry Johnson gonna cooperate, Jose Bodega gonna take the stand and really validate, corroborate what Jerry Johnson lead them to find him, right? Kewon, and I believe Kewon, he claimed he had a vision. He seen this when he was on the K2, right? He had a FaceTime call with him. You know what I'm saying? And when he had that FaceTime call with Jerry Johnson, he seen that him and Jose Bodega was in the same cell. He got out the phone with them where he got into it with them or whatever, hit the K2, you know what I'm saying? And everything started to come to him. And he said he had this vision. So when I repeated that, when I told him my theory, he was fucked up. He was fucked up. He was like, damn, how this nigga see what I see? So I just want y'all to know, you know what I'm saying, what's going on. I'm gonna have to skip through a lot. But let's listen.
Okay. Well, tragedy. You know what I'm saying? Niggas. Got me motherfucking lit.
As a previous call, your call has been accepted.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it all right there because if I tell it, I gotta tell it all, like, bro, like.
You didn't say nothing. The phone cut off.
Once I got off.
You didn't say nothing. The phone cut off.
Once I got off, I called. I was in jail, and I called the individual. And when I got on the phone with the individual, I seen a lot of things around them. And I put some pieces together, and I understood what the fuck was going on. See, I've been knowing what the fuck going on, bro. I just, like I tell you, I play slow to get by. I've been knowing what the fuck going on. So I know who.
What's up, Montello? What's up, Keisha, man? Salute to everybody in the building, man.
Gonna do what they gonna do before they even do it. Because I seen this shit fall in line, bro. I seen all this shit fall in line, bro. And when Josh said what he said, it made me really think back to what I seen and what the fuck I put together and how the fuck I know the system works and what people would do. Like, man, I'm telling y'all what to do, bro. Man, send that donation to their CashApp, and I'm gonna let y'all know what the fuck I'm talking about. I don't give a fuck how they do it, what the other people did. I'm gonna tell y'all what the fuck going on. Cause y'all lost. I'm not lost. I see what's going on. Josh, I ain't gonna lie. Josh, if you still out there somewhere listening, Josh, I'm listening.
I'm listening.
What you said, bro.
I was most definitely over there eating enchiladas. You know what I'm saying? But keep in mind that Kewon started out saying, man, I ain't heard nothing. My lawyer ain't brought me nothing. I ain't seen nothing. I ain't heard nothing. Did it make me want to snitch? I ain't seen nothing. I ain't heard nothing. Did it make me say, oh, man. until this day, until he talked to Big Josh, and I hit him with that theory of mine that connected to something that he already knew, something he already seen. And ever since then, Kiwan White has been having an all-man moment. Let's keep listening a little bit. I'm going to fast forward a little bit.
When you said what you said, well, you know something, bro. All the other shit you been talking about, that shit boo-boo.
You say this boo-boo. Let's go.
Second time, stupid. Motherfucker done hit the real. This shit crazy. We got another super chat. In this motherfucker, $5. You know what I'm saying? We got another. You know what I'm saying? Chatting this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Okay. And then they that's Kewon's favorite bloggers at that too. So yeah, he's still up there.
Yeah, I'm eating. I'm eating. What to do?
I got Josh. I ain't so. The chat we were shit. How did you come up with that scenario, Josh?
Shit, just looking at it like, you know what I'm saying? Because you know what I'm saying? So we've been doing this legal chess shit. My bad, I was overeating. Since we've been doing this legal chess shit, you know what I'm saying? It kind of give you an idea of how trials play out. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, man, it wouldn't make sense for them, you know what I'm saying, to put Jerry on the stand. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, we talk about credibility and all that shit. You know what I'm saying? Because no, I'm talking about Jerry. Putting Jerry on the stand to testify, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know what I'm saying, credibility do play a part in it and all this shit. Impeachment and all this shit, especially when you're going against a nigga like Toby Shook. You say you got some cold-ass lawyers, woo-woo-woo. And Jerry is indicted on this situation. So the smart thing to do is, because you definitely don't need Jerry and Jose. You know what I'm saying? From my thinking, you don't need Jerry and Jose Bodega. So when I seen Jose Bodega with the executed subpoena and already, you know what I'm saying, cooperating his names and paperwork, I'm like, okay, they're going to use Jerry to cooperate because he'll be too vulnerable on the goddamn stand. So they're going to use him to investigate behind the scenes and use Jose to actually take the stand and testify to all this shit.
So that's how you came up with your scenario, which is a good scenario because I came up with the same motherfucker scenario.
Kiwan White thought I read his mind. No, I did not read your mind, Kiwan. I just going off my theories.
You can hear a pin drop.
Kiwan over there like, man, how the fuck did this nigga, because I thought about this same shit back in Alabama when I was on the deuce. How did Kiwan, I'm not a reader, I'm not a seer, my friend. I just follow the paperwork, my guy.
Scenario was just a little bit tad different. Like if I had to put your shit on the scale tomorrow from 0 to 100, like your shit is a 98.1111. That's how accurate you with that, boy.
Hey, man. I'm telling you, some of this shit, like, it ain't in black and white. You know what I'm saying? I know, you know what I'm saying, penitentiary rules benefit. Niggas be needing to see shit, you know what I'm saying, in concrete black and white. But a lot of this shit, before it hit black and white, you know what I'm saying, you can just tell by certain things in the paperwork how that shit looking. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can just tell, like, especially if you following every document, you know what I'm saying, all this shit is like one big-ass conversation. Every document, every motion, all that shit, one big-ass conversation. So if you following the conversation, it's just like reading one big-ass book. They unfold as new paperwork come out.
Hey, man, chat, man. I'm gonna tell y'all, I know y'all got y'all ears and eyes in the chat, man. Y'all need to come on with it, bro, because I'm out, man. Phone call, my last phone call, bro, and I'm trying to tell y'all some real, man, I hate you, bro. Man, I ain't gonna.
This call will be terminated in 1 minute.
I ain't gonna lie, Josh, bro. You got my head over the spinning, bro. Cause I'm like, I understand you just broke it down to me how you figured this shit out. But my thing is, how the fuck did you come up with the same scenario I came up with, and you didn't even see what I seen? You know what I'm saying?
Be true to it, out.
And what I seen, I'm not gonna. Okay, this is what I'm gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna give y'all this, bro, to motivate y'all to do what y'all gotta do to hear the rest of this. What I seen was not black and white. What I seen was real life. I seen with my eyes. Nigga, I witnessed it myself. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck I'm talking about right now? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? From myself. I seen this shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't seen no black and white. I ain't go through no paperwork.
All right, so Kewon's continue to talk about the time where he FaceTimed Jerry Johnson and seen that him and Jose Bodega was in the same cell. You know what I'm saying? He was in Alabama. They was in another federal holding center. You know what I'm saying? Another location. You know what I'm saying? He most definitely seen them two in the same cell. And he said right after that, Jose Bodega was released into the free world. You know what I'm saying? Jose Bodega was released into the free world. But keep in mind, I showed y'all the first live they did when he said Monday changes everything, right? Nothing happened that Monday. He came live on The Reckoning Part 2, right? And he said, man, I haven't really seen nothing. My lawyer ain't brought me nothing. I haven't seen or heard nothing that'll make me snitch. I haven't seen or heard nothing that'll make me say, oh, man. You know what I'm saying? Once again, until he talk to Big Josh. Salute to Madam O in the building, man. Salute to everybody in the building. Hit the like button. We running y'all down through that, but we about to get to this breaking news. We just got to show y'all how we got to this point today. All right? So hold on. Let me make sure I'm at the right place. 45. We start right here.
But when Josh came on the panel today, bro, he brought that bitch back up, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, that bitch got me emotional right now, bro. I'm just keeping it together because I'm on this chat. But truth be told, I'm gonna go on myself. I was like, on the phone with y'all and cry like a little bitch. Cause this shit is bringing back emotions, bro. Because nigga, my loyalty to me, bro. Like, that shit, that like.
So what you trying to say?
Like, I ain't gonna lie.
He said his loyalty too big, man. You know what I'm saying? After we chopped it up, I dropped down. You know what I'm saying? Cause I want to let it simmer. I want to let it simmer on old Kewon, man. Start using your head, young man. These niggas don't fuck with you. You know what I'm saying? These niggas putting themselves in the best situation possible. Use your head. Kewon now saying, man, look, man, my loyalty too big. My loyalty is too big. He's emotional. He's a mess right now.
Like, well, I don't mean to cut you off, but damn, my nigga, you trying to say, so you saying you was in the feds on a jack when you called him and FaceTime or whatever, and that's when you saw what you saw?
Yes, bro, yes. And that's when I put everything together, bro. And this is what led me. Remember I told you I was on that deuce, bro. This was led me to smoking deuce. This situation, this is what I'm talking about now, led me to K2, bro. And it took me down. Like, I wasn't no bum ass nigga, no shit like that. Like, yeah, I was smoking deuce. That shit had me in my lows and feelings, emotions, and life, bro. It took me to my lows.
Who was this? Dave said Kewon been quiet lately. And we might about to show y'all the reason why. After we give y'all the lead up, we about to show y'all why we believe Kewon been quiet lately.
Hello, Jackie, for the cheers. Thank you.
Salute to Jackie Lawrence, man. Jackie from the M-Town, man, for those cheers, man. Let's go, man. Let's go.
Go.
Because that shit hurt me. That shit hurt me. Man, that shit. Because I seen what I seen, bro. That shit wasn't right, bro. That shit wasn't right at all, bro. Like, hell no, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like, man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm trying to catch myself out for crying, bro. That shit hurt, bro. That shit was fucked up, bro. That shit was fucked up, bro. That shit was fucked up, bro. And I'm gonna tell y'all this. After what I seen, bro, that nigga Jose fat ass got right out, bro. I'm gonna tell y'all that straight up.
Let's go, K-Dub, man, for the $4.99 contribution towards the goal, man. Thank you, man. We now just officially need one more super chat, $5 or more to complete today's goal, man. Let's go, man. Y'all be showing out, man. Let's go, man. We're going to play a little bit more of this because, again, I just want to show y'all how Kewon started out confident. Kewon was saying, man, I ain't heard nothing, seen nothing that'll make me tell on a nigga. I ain't seen nothing. My lawyer ain't brought me nothing. I ain't seen nothing nobody said that'll make me say, oh, man, I got to do what I got to do. You know what I'm saying? Again, till he talked to me, we chopped it up. You know what I'm saying? And then again, now he's a wreck over here. Oh, snap. Salute to K-Dub, man, for helping us complete the goal, man. Let's motherfucking go, man. You said I got y'all, man. Let's go, man. goal is complete, man. Shout out to everybody that supported the goal. And don't let that stop you, man, from supporting the channel, man. Goal or no goal. Support the channel, man. If you feel it in your heart, support the channel, man. Let's go. Hit the like button, though. Hit the like button.
Hey, bro. Hold on real quick, bro.
Thank you, my Sheila.
Thank you, Sheila. We appreciate that $5, Sheila. Let's go, baby. Let's go, man. What's up, sister-in-law? I see you.
Shit wild, though, bro. It's shit wild in the bitch, bro. That shit crazy, bro. That shit was crazy in the bitch, bro. I don't want to, bro. That shit fucked me up, man. You know what I'm saying? And that's why I went out and recorded that song with you. I made that song because there was a Muslim nigga and a Christian nigga that got me off of that dude, bro. You know what I'm saying? And shook me back, fool. Like, this shit crazy.
My bad, Mahel. Most definitely, till he talked to us. Salute to my big dog, Mahel, man. You know what I'm saying? Till he talked to us, because you most definitely, man. Hey, man, salute to Mahel, man. You know what I'm saying? That's my cooking bro right there. You know what I'm saying? Chef Mahel, Chef Josh, Chef CB, man. Chef CB, we be cooking. You know what I'm saying? Let's go.
Bro, that shit fucked up, bro. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't be understanding what I be going through, but nigga, like with Josh, when Josh just came up here and said what he said, bro, that shit opened like a can of worms, and I tried to bury it behind me, bro. On some grown men to man shit. I'm talking to you, I'm talking to the chat, to the ladies, to the men out there in the chat, bro. Josh just said what he said, bro. That shit opened up a can of worms, and I tried to bury it in the back of my mind, bro. And I ain't thought about it in a minute. But then nigga just open this shit up, bro. Then they got, like, now I'm in this whole stressed out mind, going different places now. Like, that nigga just got me in this whole thinking hard in the bitch, bro. Like, I don't know, bro.
All right, so Kewon, hey, man, me and Kewon chopped it up. Me, Kewon, and Mahel. You know what I'm saying? CB was in the background. We all chopping it up, man. You know what I'm saying? And we just really telling Kewon what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Because Kewon is still a relatively young man. He's not even 30 yet. You know what I'm saying? And up until this point, man, we all heard him talk before. Kewon was worried about two things. Looking like being a snitch, you know what I'm saying? And going to the feds as a snitch. You know what I'm saying? Kewon never wanted to have those type of things on his jacket. He was so caught up in being loyal. You know what I'm saying? It took a couple live streams for us, people like me, Mahel, and others in the chat as well, to really break it down to Kewon, like, Kewon, bro, this is why people call you slow, fam. You know what I'm saying? Because you worried about niggas who ain't worried about you. You know what I'm saying? Mahel even told him, said, man, shit, you worried about going to the feds with certain things on your jacket, but shit, them niggas got things on their jacket too, and they in that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? One of them is out in the free world, comfortable. You know what I'm saying? So Kewon, you know, it took a couple live streams, so let's get into the last time we heard from Kewon. How about that? Then we're going to get into the breaking news. All right? Let's get into the last time we heard from old Kewon. All right?
Hit the like button, family. Hit the like button. If you haven't hit the like button already, please hit the like button. I promise y'all don't want to go nowhere. I promise y'all do not want to go nowhere.
I promise you, babe. Let me stop. I often start singing that Jagged Edge. The only one I want in my life. All right, let me get to this timestamp. Let me stop playing. Let me get to this timestamp real quick. What we at? 102. No, I'm on. Oh, no, this is the third one. I gotta go to 140.
140. Let's get it. Hit that like button, family.
Okay, this jump kind of off, so I'm just gonna start right here.
Okay.
All right, I had to start like 10 seconds above because they won't let me get it on the money. All right, so boom, this is the last time that we heard from Kewon. All right, so let's do a follow up. The first one, the first live I showed y'all was Kewon. He went live and said Monday will change everything. All right, Monday will change everything. All right, I just showed y'all the title of that live. Then I just played y'all the Reckoning Part 2. You know what I'm saying? And where, you know what I'm saying, he was still confident a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You can tell he been thinking about some things, because I can tell when a person is kind of, you know what I'm saying, kind of wanting information. They wanting a reason to do something they already got in their mind to do. All right, so let me clear this up. I'm not by way taking no credit for anything. You know what I'm saying? I believe whatever Kewon is thinking about doing, he already been thinking about doing it. He just needed a little He just needed a little persuasion. He just needed some solid reasons to do it. All right? Hold on, man. Salute to that CashApp, if I'm not mistaken. Hold on. Let me get to it. Hold on. I seen it come through my messages. I can't find it, though. You know what I'm saying? But salute to that CashApp, man. I'm not going to say your whole name.
Thank you.
Go to my messages. You know what I'm saying? Salute to that CashApp, man, from CH. You know what I'm saying? At $10. Let's go, man. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So now this is the last time we heard from Kiwan White. This is the last time we heard from Kiwan White. So let's listen to it, man. Let's listen. Now make sure. Oh no, I'm in the wrong space. Hold on. I want to make sure I'm at the right one. I don't want to miss a thing. All right, we right here. We good.
Hey, Miss T.
We gotta add, y'all. Bear with us for a little couple seconds. All right, skip a D. Let's go.
You have a daughter, you better do what you gotta do to come home. Don't take the fall for a bunch of fake motherfuckers. They asked, you know what I'm saying, Trucker Man, Madtown say, ask cuz how he really holding up in there. You know what I'm saying? How you really holding up in there, fam?
Shit, right now, I'm like a peanut butter jelly slaying syrup sandwich. But other than that, I mean, I'm chilling, bro. I'm finna. I got a couple of power chest moves I'm finna do. But other than that, I'm really chilling, bro. Like, you know, just give me time to get my flights together, man. You know.
Power chest moves, huh?
You know, I'm really just chilling, bro.
So GG say, oh, so.
So boom. First thing, somebody asked Kewon, man, how you hold up in there? Kewon said, man, I'm chilling. I got a couple power chess moves. That he about to play. All right. This is the last time we talked to Kewon. All right. This is the last time we all heard from Kewon. He said he got a lot of power chess moves that he's about to play, family. You know what I'm saying? All right. So let's go to the next timestamp. All right, now I'm gonna be skipping through this a little bit because you know Kewon will say something, he'll ask for the cash apps and all of that stuff. So bear with me. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get to the gist of this. We're gonna get to the gist of this, man. You know what I'm saying? But Kewon most definitely just said he got a couple power chess moves that he's about to play. He said he's fed up. These niggas ain't loyal. Hold on, let me get to the timestamp. Hold on. I got to start 10 seconds before. All right, we good. So let's listen. All right, hold on. So before leading up to this, Kewon told Lawton. He told the lot of people on the live stream that he had a visit. He had a visit. Somebody came to visit him. All right. So he said he about to make in this live, he said he about to make a power chess move. You know what I'm saying? Then he went on to tell Lawton that somebody came to give him a visit. All right. Somebody came to give him a visit. Mr. Lawton didn't even know this. You know what I'm saying? So it went up in an uproar. They started laughing. Ha kikiing. Let's listen.
All right, nah, for real. You for real?
Yeah, man. My lawyer came to see me yesterday.
Okay. So they talking about was it the PI lady? Nigga.
He said my lawyer came and seen me yesterday. All right, let's go.
They fucking crazy. Man, I shouldn't even read that comment, man. That's gonna give a man now. They're gonna say, oh, you got my name in the mouth. I got a name in the mouth. Hell nah. It said Teasy gonna get y'all. Nah, Teasy cool with us, man. Teasy is cool with us, man, for real. But that shit funny in the bitch when that nigga be saying that shit. You know what I'm saying? Then the nigga start rapping like 3. Then nigga say, nah. But anyway, so what's up, nigga? So, damn. Oh, man.
We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it, though. We'll talk about it, though.
What?
We'll talk about it. You know what I'm saying? I got some shit to tell you. Last night, you was just moving too fast. I already talked to you yesterday. You know what I'm saying? I ain't really get to chop it up with you yesterday, so I was like, you know what I'm saying, slipped my mind. You know what I'm saying? Because I was on the phone with you for a quick second because you was out with your family and shit. So I ain't, because I know if I would have told you that, you probably would have stepped out, went outside, and I'm like, what's going on? So I just...
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it. Just by thinking about it.
We gotta add, y'all. We gotta add. Let's skip this.
Let's get it. Tap that like button, family. Tap that like button if you have it.
How about people get, you know,
yeah.
You know how you know.
Hey, y'all see it, man. That's crazy, man. Okay, that's what's up then.
They came up with
Huh?
We came over and seen your boy.
Oh, okay. All right. Say, yeah, nah, for real, T's a fool with it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's an 88 came to see you, Kewon.
Yeah.
Man, they say 100K. You talking about 88? Man, say, all right. So, man, for real, fam. Cause man, you done dropped 2 jewels on me. Cause yesterday you were like, nigga, I seen niggas in the cell together. Now today you telling me, nigga, you done talked to your lawyer. Okay, all right. It's going down. All right, it's going down.
Pay attention to that synchronicity that Long did. Very subtle. But Long know what he was doing. You know what I'm saying? The day before this, on the live, Kiwan was telling us the story about how he seen the niggas in the cell together, start crying. The next day on this live, Kiwan didn't talk to his lawyer. You know what I'm saying? Kiwan didn't talk to his lawyer. So let's speed up real quick. Let's speed up just a couple seconds. You know what? I just play it through.
See, I ain't gonna lie, man. I don't like saying that shit like that, but it's a lot of shit I don't talk about. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, me and you talk about a lot of shit. You know what I'm saying? Me and you be talking about some deep ass shit. Like,
this call will be terminated in 2 minutes.
Man, we done talk. You know what I'm saying? We done talk our phone and on phones. You know what I'm saying? But we done talk about a lot of deep shit. You know what I'm saying? You know some shit that the world don't know. You know some shit that only the members know. You know what I'm saying? But, like, I got a lot of shit, but I ain't gonna lie, like, soon, in due time, I'm just gonna get to talking to the internet, just like all type of shit, because
he said soon he just gonna get to talking. Blah, 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 blah. Quote unquote him. Blah, 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 and telling the internet all types of shit. Now I believe it's my theory that he's saying shit without saying it. He saying soon, very soon, he just gonna get to talking, telling the quote unquote internet all types of shit. But me personally, I read between the lines. Nah, you ain't gonna tell the internet. You gonna tell us after. You know what I'm saying? But soon, very soon, you gonna get to talking. And salute to you if that's what you do.
Niggas got me fucked up. Straight up.
They say hell.
He said them niggas got me fucked up. Straight up. He said them niggas got me fucked up.
We been here this long, Kewon. We want to know what your lawyer said.
They wanna know what my lawyer said.
Goof in the bed. Talking about he slash her. They say Lawton said you hiding shit. Man, the fuck you.
I got hot bitch, man. And my family, he went to the hospital, so I'm in the cell by myself. So I called the nigga at night. I'm like, man, then it went left. You know what I'm saying? When
all right, so right here he's talking about, okay, so after he did the FaceTime with Jerry and seeing him and Jose Bodega in the same cell, another FaceTime call happened where they got into it. All right?
Like, I'm happy, man. I don't ever go down to it no more. Fuck this shit.
All right, so so the fuck? So nigga, what did you and your so like just not you ain't gotta just go on no details and I know you know what I'm saying, but what was the the overscope, you know what I'm saying? What was the broad synopsis of what was going on? You know what I'm saying? When you talk to your lawyers, then it's like, well, like, was it good news, bad news? Was it something, you know, what like?
It was good. It was 75% good. Then it had 25% bad. Had some bad. It did have some bad. But it had 25% good.
Remember those numbers: 75% good, 25% bad. I got a correlation later. Remember those numbers.
All right. Write it down, man. Write it down. Don't forget.
I won't.
I told the boy we speaking in code, man. You know what I'm saying? We got about 10 more seconds on this. Then I'm going to go to the next clip.
You know what I'm saying? So, I left that bitch with a piece of mind.
He said he left it. He said he met with his lawyer. It was 75% good, 25% not good. But he left that bitch with a peace of mind. You know what I'm saying? He left with a peace of mind. Now let's get to the last clip. Then we're going to get into the breaking news. All right? Then we're going to get into the breaking news. Because this was the last time I talked to Kewon. This is the last time I talked to Kewon. This is the last time we all have heard from Kewon. You know what I'm saying? So let's get to this real quick.
What's good, Raw Talk?
Salute, Raw Talk, man. Salute to everybody in the building. I see my boy SRT Ken down there.
What's good, Ken?
Hold on, let me make sure I get to the right part. For the we'll have to start right here. All right. Let's go. We gotta add. You know what I'm saying? We gotta add. But please, make sure y'all hit the like button, man. It's all over 450 people in the chat, man. Please, man. We should at least be at 300 likes, man. Please, please, please hit the like button, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know what I'm saying? We got something for y'all, man. Deserves a like.
Why would Jose lie and say Josh is the witness now? Yes. Why do they don't support Alive? Or I just don't get it. Me either. Josh, let me know if you need me to send some. If you got a quick.
What's up, Big
Slow? Do what you want, man. Do what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? Do what you want to do with your millions, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna ask the questions. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want the answers, y'all do what y'all do. You know what I'm saying? Do what y'all do, man. You know what I'm saying? Do what y'all do. Do what y'all do. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want.
And excuse the audio, y'all. My audio on this live, I was in the car. You know what I'm saying? My bad.
If y'all want the answers, then shit, y'all. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I just ain't trying. I ain't up here trying to be compromised or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? That's why shit. I'm gonna ask the questions and shit. If he answer them, you know what I'm saying? He answer. If he not, then he not. But I ain't up here trying to look compromise the optics. Cause niggas are wrong with that. Josh up there said the Kiwan money. Nah, you know what I'm saying? Now Kiwan, if Kiwan, you know what I'm saying?
I was stumbling and fumbling because I was trying to find a way on the spot to say this. Basically, I'm finna try to. If Kewon, because I've been observing, watching, and talking to him, and I could tell he been conflicted. Man, do I want to put myself in position to get myself out of a heavy situation, a heavy sentence, or do I want to stay solid? Right. So I said, hey, look, if Kewon do what it seemed like he's thinking about doing, if he stand on 10, if that boy flip, if he take a deal, whatever the case may be, I'm gonna pay him for an interview. And I stand on it. So I'm finna fumble and stumble right here because I was trying to figure out a way to say it on the spot. You know what I'm saying? Because I still got like a 15% hood nigga in me to where I don't feel like even approaching a nigga with none of this. You know what I'm saying? But the 35-year-old me, the square me, is like, shit, fuck it. Let's go.
He want, you know what I'm saying, stand on his 10 and do what it sounds like that he's strongly thinking about, then I have a different mindset. You know what I'm saying? I have a different mindset towards it. But as of right now, you know what I'm saying, I gotta, you know what I'm saying, all this shit attached to the credibility of the platform. You know what I'm saying? So I can't, I gotta move a certain type of way with this shit. You know what I'm saying? Shit. I ain't gonna tell you, he want to stand on 10. I might pay that nigga for an interview, goddamn. I ain't lying to you.
I'm standing on 10, man, so you might as well get ready to pay me. I'm standing on 10, but anyway, we get my preference.
Boom. So the last time I talked to Kewon, I told him if Kewon stand on 10, if Kewon do what I think he thinking about doing, I would pay him for an interview. Kewon response to me was, well, you might as well go ahead and get ready because I'm standing on 10. He said, you might as well go and get ready to pay me because I'm standing on 10. And ladies and gentlemen of the chat, now it's time for the breaking news. All right? Now it is time for the breaking news. Baby, you'll bring in the title of the episode. I'm going to sit back and let you cook, baby.
All right. So again, everyone, thank y'all for being here with us. It is time for the breaking news. We are on MO3 Legal Chess, episode 32. A deal on the table? Kiwan White's next move could change everything. And I'm here to tell y'all, Kiwan's next move could change everything because on his docket, we have this, ladies and gentlemen.
Dun, dun, dun.
We have this, ladies and gentlemen. Right here, as you can see, on April 1st, 2026, we have an admonishment hearing. Judicial Officer Chica Anaheim. Hearing time, 9 o'clock. We have a comment at the bottom. Let's get into it, family. What does this mean?
Admonishment.
What does this mean? Well, I'm here to tell you what it means. What admonishment means. An admonishment hearing is when the judge formally addresses the defendant, Kiwan White, and makes sure he understands key legal rights and consequences. Think of it as the court saying, before anything moves forward, I need to make sure you fully understand what's happening in your case. What happens at an admonishment? During this hearing, the judge, Judge Chica Anaheim may, number 1, explain the charges, what he's being accused of, the seriousness of those charges. Number 2, explain possible punishment, range of sentencing, especially critical in capital murder cases. Number 3, go over his rights, right to trial, right to remain silent, right to an attorney, right to confront witnesses. Number 4, confirm understanding. The judge will usually ask, do you understand? This is about protecting the record so nothing can be appealed later, saying, I didn't know what I was facing. Why this just appeared now? This timing is strategic. This usually happens when the case is moving closer to trial posture or there are serious plea discussions happening or the court is tightening up the record before key proceedings. Anything you got to say, baby?
Now just cook. I'm gonna get in there. I don't know what I'm saying. Just cook.
All right. So we got the why this just appeared now. Let me move to the next slide.
Calm down. You over there excited and shit.
The hidden legal chess angle. This is where it gets interesting. Possibility 1, plea pressure phase. Admonishments often happen when the state wants it on the record that the defendant knows the risk of going to trial. This can subtly increase pressure to take a deal. Possibility 2, preparing for testimony or cooperation. If Kewon is cooperating or considerate, the court ensures everything is knowing and voluntary. Possibility number 3, trial readiness. The judge is locking in. No future claims of, I didn't understand my rights. Let me add this in here while we're going through this, y'all.
Let's go.
Kiwan, on one of those lives, Josh didn't play it, but on one of those lives, he assured me and Josh, and I believe it was Mahel, that he would be going first. I want to let y'all know, family, that Kewon is the only one that has this on his docket.
The only one. And he said he'd be the first to go to trial. Let's be clear. He said he'll be the first to go to trial. And if you know the sequence of trials, you will know why they would stick out like a sore thumb. Because they usually try people, co-defendants, from the lesser on up. Kewon would be in the middle. So if all of us go to trial, it'll be Devin first, Kewon second, then Yellow Beezy third. But Kewon assured us that he would be going first.
All right. So the little comment that was at the bottom that we seen that said 250-38906-NT to EUSC48. That's an internal court filing coding, not a ruling. NT could indicate non-testimonial setting or internal scheduling tag. The rest is typically case/event tracking codes. Nothing substantive legally, but it helps clerks track the event. All right. So the bottom line for this portion of the show is this is not a ruling. This is not evidence being introduced. This is a procedural safeguard, but it signals the case is tightening up and moving forward seriously. All right.
Right.
So
one more thing I want to add too, because I didn't play this clip because there was a lot of clips I could have played, right? And this just came in, so we had probably like a few hours to get this together, plus getting our work and stuff. But for those that was in that live, where me and Mahel was on the panel with him, Kewon was also going back and forth with me and Mahel, how he has the most leverage. He's the one that they would want to talk and this and that. You know what I'm saying? We indicated to us that this is something that he's been thinking about. A deal or something of the sort is something that Kewon can be thinking about.
So again, I just want to add, Kiwan White's new admonishment setting isn't a ruling, family. It's the judge making sure he fully understands his charges, rights, and potential punishment. This usually happens as a case moves closer to trial or serious plea discussions. Translation for that, the legal pressure is rising. All right. So as we move forward, I wanted to kind of deep dive into possibility number one, right? And the likely chance of this being the case and the legal chess of it all. All right.
Right. Because we discover all the possibilities, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We're discovering all the possibilities. All right. Be strong on the possibilities.
All right. So possibility one, plea pressure phase. Let's do a deep dive. What this phase really is. An admonishment hearing becomes powerful when it's used as a pressure tool, not just a formality. The court is essentially creating a record that says you knew exactly what you were risking and you chose trial anyway. That matters a lot if a deal is on the table.
Let's go.
The state strategy, prosecution chess move. This is how prosecutors weaponize timing. Number one, lock in awareness of risk. They want it on record that Kewon understands the full punishment range, understands the strength of the case, implicity, cannot later claim confusion. This kills the future appeals like, I didn't understand the consequences, or my lawyer didn't explain things properly. Number two, quiet psychological pressure. This is the part people miss. An admonishment forces the defendant to hear in open court possible life sentence, possible stacked charges, and the reality of a trial risk. That hits different than hearing it from your lawyer privately. It's a courtroom reality check. Number three, create a now or never window. This is key. Admonishments often happen when a plea offer is already on the table or one is about to be finalized.
Now pause real quick. Keep in mind, Kewon said out his own mouth, they haven't offered him a deal. Salute to Rio, man. Salute to Radiant Jewels by Rio. He said, do what y'all do. I'm here for it. Let's go, man. Salute to Radiant Jewels by Rio, man. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate the $5 contribution, man. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? But real quick, keep in mind, there was not a deal out of Kewon's own mouth. He said they haven't offered him a deal since he first went in for this situation. You know what I'm saying? So if there is a deal on the table now, right? That means something else then came down the turnpike. Remember, Kewon said he talked to his lawyer. You know what I'm saying? Kewon said he about to make some power chess moves. And then all of a sudden, this pops up, and we ain't heard from Kewon in about 2 weeks or something, a week or two.
Yeah,
I'm just saying. But again, this is legal chess. We are discussing all likely possibilities. We're not putting it on official record that Kewon have taken the deal. But God damn it, it looks like it. Strongly looks like it. All right, let's go.
All right, so I'll reread it. Number 3, create a now or never window. This is key. Admonishments often happen when a plea offer is already on the table or one is about to be finalized. The message is this: you've been fully warned. If you go to trial now, that's on you.
It's on you, baby.
The defense's side strategy, their counter move. From the defense perspective, this moment is critical. If they're considering a deal, they now have a clean record to enter a plea. No issues with voluntariness later. Makes the deal legally bulletproof. If they're not taking a deal, they're signaling we're ready to roll the dice at trial. Timing equals everything. The biggest clue isn't the admonishment itself. It's when it appears. This usually lines up with pretrial phase tightening, discovery mostly exchanged, key evidence already known by both sides. Translation: both sides now understand what this case really looks like.
So timing is everything. Timing is everything. You know what I'm saying? Right now, this admonishment comes through. You know what I'm saying? Not just the timing of the trial, but the timing of Kewon's whole mindset for the past month. What he's been weighing. You know what I'm saying? What he's been weighing, man. Who flipping on me? Is these niggas silence? A nigga done cried. He done did everything. You know what I'm saying? So the timing not only of the trial, but the timing of Kewon's whole entire mindset is everything. Then this admonishment comes through.
All right. How likely is this a plea pressure move? High likelihood, 70 to 85%. And here's why. Admonishments are not random. They often appear when the court is cleaning up the record, anticipating a major decision point. In serious felony cases, especially, judges want zero ambiguity before trial or plea.
Let's go.
So what's the real legal chess behind it? Here's the state's board. We believe our case is strong enough. We're giving you one clear chance to avoid trial. If you proceed, you're doing it knowingly. What is the defense's board? They have 2 paths. Path A, take the deal. Reduce exposure, possibly cooperate, and avoid trial risk. Path B, reject the deal. Force the state to prove everything. Risk harsher outcome. Hope to attack witnesses, evidence gaps, or credibility issues. What this signals moving forward. After this type of hearing, you typically watch for next moves on the docket: a plea setting, sudden reset or continuance, sealed filings means possible cooperation, or trial momentum accelerating.
Because you can't have it both ways, right? Go back to the last one, right? You can't have it both ways. Because Kewon early on in his live streams, he been saying, man, I'm ready to go to trial. They ain't got nothing on me. You know what I'm saying? So are you ready for trial? Because after this, you're going to say, yes, I understand. I'm ready for trial. Anything outside of that is going to look very skeptical.
Salute to Radiant Jews for that membership. Thank you, boo. We appreciate it.
Salute to Rio, man, for their membership. But that's all I want to say. You can't have it both ways. You know what I'm saying? You can't have it both ways. Not in my opinion.
So the bottom line legal chess take. This isn't just a procedural checkbox. This is the court saying the clock is ticking. You better make your move. And in high-stakes cases like this, admonishment equals decision point activated.
It is now or never, Kiwan White. It is now or never. What you gonna do, hey, playboy? Barbecue a meal do, man.
So I wanted to just add that the admonishment setting isn't random, right? It's the pressure point, like I said before. So the court is basically making sure Kiwan White understands exactly what he's risking if he goes to trial. Again, and I want to reiterate this usually happens when plea deals are on the table or about to be finalized, family. In legal chess terms, the board is set and a major move is coming.
Right. Let's go.
All right. So in doing our research, we had to ask ourselves, what kind of deal could Kiwan realistically be looking at? You know what I'm saying? What kind of deal could Kiwan realistically be looking at? The charges drive everything. In a case like this, murder/capital type exposure, the baseline reality is no deal equals extreme risk, life or worse. If he gets a deal, typical damage control. So any plea offer is about reducing exposure in exchange for value to the state.
In exchange for value to the state.
The three most realistic deal structures. Here we go, family. Number one, straight plea, no cooperation. He pleads guilty, he gets a reduced sentence, but still heavy. Example outcome, 20 to 40 years, depending on charge reductions. When this happens, the state doesn't need him as a witness or his testimony isn't critical.
Now, hold on. Before you move over to the next plea type. This, for me, now, this is just my opinion. I'm playing the order of operation as you go. A straight plea wouldn't even make sense for a nigga like Kewon. Because if I'm gonna take, this ain't 40 max, I'm just gonna go through with it. If I'm a nigga like Kewon who claims that he worried about, you know what I'm saying, going back with the snitch jacket and potentially putting people at risk and family members, a 40-year max ain't enough for me to do what I need to do. You know what I'm saying?
Well, let me say this. I want to say this. Let's keep this in mind. He is facing a capital charge, right? And I'm just gonna kind of give you the rules in Texas. Anything 50 and above is considered life, right?
Right.
You can consider that they call those lifers in the penitentiary, right? State penitentiary, you get 50 and above, they call you a lifer, okay?
Right.
20 to 40, Kewon could spend 10 to 20 years in prison and come home on parole.
Think he gonna get parole?
Think about this. Listen, if they reduce his sentence and he gets 20 to 40 years in Texas, 10 to 20 years, because you have to do half in order to come up for parole.
Right, the half.
So he can do 10 to 20 years and still have that possibility of coming home on parole. So he's not considered a lifer if he get 20 to 40 years.
Okay. It makes sense. That makes sense.
There you go. All right. I just wanted to give you that, baby, because it can sound like a lot, but if you weigh his outcome with a capital punishment, 20 to 40 ain't so bad.
Right. Good looking out. Good breakdown.
All right. Number two, cooperation deal, most strategic. This is the one that changes everything on the board. He agrees to testify. He provides statements. He helps build the case. In return, reduce charge and or significantly reduce sentence. Possible outcome, 10 to 25 years, sometimes even lower, depending on the value to the state.
Let's go. And cause this is my line of thinking, right? This is my line of thinking while we discuss all the. Now put the back up for me, please.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Because I got to refer to it. This is my line of thinking, right? Because Kiwan been saying he coming home. Now they may be wishful thinking, or maybe he know more about his move, chopping it up with his lawyer than we know. So if I'm just gonna go based off the vibes I get from Kiwan. Kiwan been threatening that he has leverage. He's the one that they want to talk. He's the one that they want to flip because he knows everything. He said he knows stuff about street shit beyond the MO3 case. You know what I'm saying? He even indicated some things about Trap Boy Freddy, which we will get into. You know what I'm saying? But so then he said he coming home. So if he take a 10 or 20 with the time served, that'll make more sense for him coming home.
I get what you're saying.
Then a 20 or 40.
I get exactly what you're saying, but I just wanted you to kind of weigh that out. He still has the chance of coming home with that 20 to 40. You know what I'm saying? He still has the chance. You know.
Hold on, we got a quote from Mahel. I mean, we got a quote from Kewon posted by Mahel. He said, Kewon said, "They got me in PC. I'm going crazy in this cell. They're trying to break me. I've been locked up since 2020." Let's go. Dog on the leash. That's what he said about Trap. Dog, we gonna get into Trap though. We gonna get into it. Trust and believe. We discover all possibilities. I mean, we explore. Let's go, baby. My bad.
Number 3, open plea, where the judge decides. No agreed sentence. Judge decides the punishment. That's a risky move, but sometimes it's used if the defense thinks judge may be more lenient than the jury. So what is the key factor? The value for the state. The state doesn't give deals out of kindness. They ask, what is he worth to our case? His value depends on what he knows, who he can connect, and how credible he is.
So even if he was to take or try to take a straight plea, no cooperation, he would still have to have some type of value to get there. Because I'm pretty sure they got enough on Kewon to convict him. You know what I'm saying? So even if he was to take a straight plea, he would still have to have some type of value to offer to the state. So which leads me to my point again. He ain't gonna halfway do it. You know what I'm saying? If I'm gonna do this, if I'm gonna take a deal where I'm gonna have to add some value to this case or other cases anyway, I'm gonna go the whole shebang. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get that 10-20 piece, get some time served, and be home soon. If I'm gonna have to add value anyway, but you know, we got to wait and see. Kewon go live, clear it up, debunk it, whatever. But this is what it's looking like, player.
If he can, because keep in mind, we haven't heard from Kewon. We haven't heard from Kewon, as well as this popped up on his docket April 1st. I mean, what was that? It said April 1st. We ain't in April 1st.
No. I think the date is April 1st. They popped up today.
Okay, today.
Yeah, they popped up today. The date for their admonishment is April 1st.
April 1st. So in a couple of days.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, y'all. So how this impacts the entire board, Yellow Beezy and others. This is where Legal Chess episode goes crazy. All right, let's get it. So if Kiwan takes a non-cooperation deal, here's the impact. He becomes irrelevant to the bigger strategy. The state proceeds with existing witnesses, existing evidence. The effect on others, minimum direct damage, and the case remains what it already is. All right.
And again, I don't mean to expand on this, but for the life of me, if there's a deal on the table, I highly doubt if it's a non-cooperation deal.
Me too.
Why would they offer that deal to Kewon? You know what I'm saying? And how this case is flowing, it don't look like the state is even coming to these niggas with deals. They gotta come to the state. You know what I'm saying? They have to approach the state with a value. Then the state ain't just handing these niggas no deals.
Well, look at the sequence of things. So we just showed the audience where Kiwan went from to where he ended. So Kiwan was adamant that I ain't seen nothing that's gonna make me tell. I ain't seen nothing. You know what I'm saying? He was confident. You know what I'm saying? But as he got to going on and speaking to me, you, Mahel, Madam, he slowly but surely that confidence started to, it started to eat away. And then we had this last live that we played with Lawton, and he said he had a visit from his lawyer, and then this pops up today. So that I want people to see that this is strategically done. This ain't some shit that just happened or vanished appeared out of thin air.
Right.
This is real shit happening.
Right. Let's go.
All right. So if Kewon takes a cooperation deal, this is a game changer. This is the board shifting move. Number one, he becomes a direct narrative witness. Instead of the state saying, we think this happened, they now have someone involved telling you exactly what happened. Juries feel differently.
Let's go.
Number two, strengthens conspiracy or the murder for hire theory. If he can connect the money, planning, and the communication, that fills the gaps the defense usually attacks.
Let's go, man. And can we get 50 likes? Can we get 50 people to hit the like button, man? We had 250 likes. It's well over 400 people in the building. Can we get 50 people to hit the like button? Please, 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 and thank you. 50 people, man. That's all we need is 50 people, man. I know y'all may have forgot to hit the like button. Hit the like button for us, gang, please. It helps us out a lot. Let's go, baby.
Number 3, pressure on co-defendants skyrockets. Now the board shifts. Other defendants must decide, fight him in court or beat him to a deal. This creates a domino effect.
Oh, so it's a race now. So, okay. Oh, it's a race. Do the race.
Keep in mind, I'm going to say this. Kiwan said, I will be first. I'm going first. He told us that.
Hold on. Let me hold on. Damn, why I can't click on it? What's going on with my thing? Okay, there you go. Salute to Miss D in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? The head honcho moderator over there in Sidewalk Gang. Salute to Miss D.
That's right, baby. That's what you do. Every time I hear that, I think of RoboCop. That's right, baby. That's what you do.
Love me some Miss D.
We love you, Miss D. We see you. My bad. We was over here cooking. We see you. Salute to Miss D, man. She said, y'all better speak to me. Let's go.
All right,
let's go.
Credibility war begins. Defense strategy becomes, he's lying to save himself. He cut a deal for freedom. What is the state's response? Corroborates his story with phone records, money trail, and other witnesses. This becomes a battle of belief.
Let's go.
So the real legal chess dynamic, the state, they want to flip the pieces from inside the board and build a story to the jury that they can follow step by step. The defense, they want to show this is a self-serving deal. It's not the truth. So why this admonishment matters even more now? Because it sets the stage for this exact moment. Do you understand what happens if you don't take this deal? Once that's on the record, any plea equals clean and enforceable. Any trial equals fully informed risk.
Let's motherfucking go. MO3 sector, stand the fuck up. Let's go, Madam O.
Let's go. So the most likely scenario, and I want to read this carefully, right? Based on how these cases typically move, the highest probability move is a cooperation-based deal is being explored or positioned. Why? The admonishment timing, the case complexity, and the need for insider testimony in conspiracy-style cases.
So according to the legal chess machine, the highest probability move out of all the possibilities that we discussed, the no deal, straight cooperation, open plea deal, and a cooperation plea deal, they say the highest probability move based on the admonishment timing, the case complexity, and the need for insider testimony is a cooperation-based deal. It's a cooperation-based. It's based on the legal chess machine. Now, again, hey, Kewon, feel free, if you can, if you will, debunk it. You know what I'm saying? Tell us which possibility, because there's really nothing to debunk. You know what I'm saying? We discover all possibilities. We ain't putting a nail in the coffin on anything. But please feel free to go live and clear the air, like you would Mr. Lawman say. Reckoning part 4, clear the air. What's going on with this admonishment April 1st?
And what is the final legal chess take for this portion of the episode? This isn't just about Kiwan anymore. This is about who controls the narrative at trial. If Kiwan flips, the state gains a voice from inside the crime. If he doesn't, the state must rely on circumstantial and corroborative evidence.
Let's go, man. We need 14 more people to hit the like button. Please hit the like button if you haven't hit the like button. Please, please, please. Grade A content here.
So I wanted to use this as a teaching moment, right? because that admonishment setting, it gives me the feeling of it just isn't procedural, right? I feel like it's a pressure point before a major decision. So if Kiwan takes a deal, especially a cooperation deal, it could shift the entire case, right?
Right.
In our legal chess terms, one move from him could change the position of every piece on the board.
And what he said he was about to do? He was about to make a power chess move.
Yep.
He said he was about to make a power chess move. Then he met with his lawyer, said it was 75% good, 25% not so good. But he left with a peace of mind. Salute to Kiki, man. Salute to Kiki.
What's good, Kiki? Hey,
for showing that love over there on Twitch, man. Salute to Kiki over there, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What else you got for us, baby?
So I got the core question. What are the chances Kiwan cooperates and implicates Trap Boy Freddy? And what does that do to the trial?
Because we all know. Now, again, I was trying my hardest to find the live. I know Mahel did a breakdown on it, so Mahel know firsthand. Mahel in the chat, he can tell y'all firsthand. This nigga been threatening Trap Boy Freddy, you know what I'm saying, for the longest. You know what I'm saying? He been threatening Trap Boy Freddy for the longest. You know what I'm saying? Saying stuff like he got him by a leash. You know what I'm saying? He just been implementing certain little innuendos. He just been indicating certain little innuendos about Trap Boy Freddy and him having the key to get Trap Boy Freddy tied into this whole thing. So y'all know we had to put this in the legal chess machine. You know what I'm saying? What are the chances Kewon cooperates and implicates Trap Boy Freddy? And what does that do to the trial? Let's go, baby.
First, can a dude defendant even enter this late? Hell yes, but with conditions. A new person like Trap Boy Freddy only gets pulled in if the state has independent cooperation, not just Kiwan said it. They need phone records, financial links, witness overlap, or digital evidence. Without that, they risk weak charges or credibility damage at trial.
My God, today. Hold on. I missed a couple. So salute to 1, 2, 3, 4 for the cash out. You know what I'm saying? And salute to Miss D for the motherfucking cash out, man. Hold on, man. God, my God, today.
That's right, baby. That's what you do. Every time I hear it, I think of RoboCop. That's right, baby. That's what you do.
Salute to the ladies, man. Salute to y'all, man. Once again, man. Salute to 1, 2, 3, 4, and salute to Miss D for the cash out, man. You know what I'm saying? Greatly appreciate it, man. You know what I'm saying? Yes, most definitely, man. Salute to the Sidewalk gang, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all, I am an honorary member, not an official member, but most definitely honorary member of Sidewalk gang, man. You know what I'm saying? Rock with the big dog Mahel. You know what I'm saying? And those that rock with him. Let's go, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe. Mahel, drop your link in the chat, man. If you in the building and you haven't subscribed to In the Lab Live or whatever channel Mahel, he got about 5 on. He's a hustler. You know what I'm saying? Whatever link he drop in the chat, man, y'all go subscribe. In the same love that y'all sent to us, make sure y'all extend it, man, to Mahel. Good content creator, good content, man. Straight up dude, man. Good dude, man.
Fucks with the Sidewalk gang. Heavy.
Fucks with him the long way. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Let's go.
The likelihood Kiwan cooperates and names him. Realistic range, 40 to 65%. And here's why it's not guaranteed, but it's very possible. Factors increasing likelihood. Number 1, admonishment timing. Signals decision point, usually tied to plea discussions. Number 2, exposure pressure. If Kiwan is facing heavy time, cooperation becomes survival. Number 3, if he has direct knowledge, not rumors, not street talk, but firsthand involvement or communication. That's what prosecutors value.
Let's go. He gotta have some value, man. He gotta have some value. They just ain't finna get his boy no deal without nothing.
Facts. Factors decreasing the likelihood. Number 1, the state already has their case built. If they feel strongly already, they may not need new defendants. They avoid complicating the trial. Number 2, risk of a weak add-on. Adding someone late opens door for defense to argue. They're scrambling, Your Honor. Number 3, credibility risk. If Kewon suddenly expands the story, the defense will say he's adding names to get a deal.
Let's go.
So the real chess, while the state would or wouldn't use this, if the state believes him and has proof, they could open a separate investigation, delay charging until after the trial, or supersede charges later. This is important. They don't have to charge immediately to use the info. So you got
he could possibly indicate Trap. He could possibly give them some information on Trap Boy Freddy or others that's not already involved in this case, and they can keep this case as it is, but still charge them in another investigation.
Correct.
And that would make sense because this one is GRC field. Let's say Trap Boy Freddy does get brought in, that'd be more of a CME type of thing, which they already investigate. You know what I'm saying? Or not CME, but what them boys is the what blood the Trap Boy Freddy is the down for whatever or
down for whatever DF Dub.
Yeah, they already got them in paperwork, new paperwork.
All right. So if they don't fully trust it, they may let him testify anyway, but limit what he can say or avoid introducing that angle entirely. So what does this mean for trial? Let's go by scenarios, y'all. Scenario 1, he cooperates and names Trap Boy Freddy. What is the impact? 1, he expands the conspiracy narrative. Now it's not just this group did it. It becomes this was bigger, coordinated, layered.
Which we all believe. Salute to my big dog, Big Slump in the building, man.
Number 2, he raises the stake for the jury. Jury now hears there were more players, more moving parts. It can feel more organized, which would be a stronger theory, or more messy, which could create doubt. Number 3, defense attack mode activated. They will argue, he's adding names to save himself, Your Honor. Why wasn't this said earlier? And where's the proof? Credibility becomes everything. Number 4, possible trial disruption. Depending on timing, this could trigger motions for continuance, discovery fights, and limits on testimony. The judge may restrict surprise expansions.
Yeah, if Kewon most definitely flip, this most definitely is gonna have them file a motion of continuance. They got it. This is gonna shake the whole board upside down.
If he flips and bring Trap Boy in or anybody else into the fold.
Yeah. I believe he flips. Period. You know what I'm saying? If he flips, period, most definitely if he flip and add new defendants, yeah, it's gonna shake the whole board up.
All right. So scenario 2, he cooperates but does not name him in court. What is the impact? Info still may be used behind the scenes and investigated later. The trial stays focused and new exposure is delayed. Scenario 3, he does not cooperate. What is the impact? His YouTube hits become irrelevant legally, potentially damaging to himself, and the state proceeds with their current theory only.
And when we talk about the YouTube hints, we talk about the ones that I mentioned earlier. Him hinting at possible information he have on Trap Boy and all of that stuff, the leverage that he has over Trap Boy.
Correct. So the biggest reality check, YouTube statements does not equal courtroom evidence. Even if he hinted publicly, prosecutors will only act if the information is verifiable, it strengthens and not weakens their case. So the strategic truth, and this is key, the state's goal is not to name everyone. It's to secure convictions with the strongest, cleanest narrative possible. If adding Trap Boy Freddy strengthens the case, they explore it. If it complicates the case, they delay or ignore it for now.
So hold on before you move that screen, because that's important. That's important because this whole situation surrounding Trap Boy and people saying like, dang, why Trap Boy is not indicted in this situation? The state goal is not to name everyone. The secure convictions with the strongest, cleanest narrative possible. The narrative against Trap Boy Freddy may be there, but is it clean? Is it connected? Is there evidence and insiders that can corroborate it like Yellow Beezy? Kiwan White can change that. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Miss Pooh Bear, man, for the love over there on Twitch. You know what I'm saying? With the hey guys. You know what I'm saying? Over there on Twitch, man. And salute to Rio, man, for renewing her membership.
Let's
there
go.
You go. She said she don't know what happened to her membership, but she must have found it, man. She been rocking out with the gang for 3 whole months, man. Salute to Radiant Jewels by Rio, man. Salute to you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate all the love, y'all.
So what is the final legal chess take of this portion of the show? Kewon cooperating and naming Trap Boy Freddy is possible, but it only matters if the state can independently back it up. Otherwise, it becomes a credibility risk, not a weapon. If it's real and provable, it could expand the conspiracy, increase pressure across the board. If it's not, it becomes defense ammunition. And so I wanted to use this time as a teaching moment as well, right? So Kiwan White hitting that new names doesn't automatically change the case, all right? In court, it's not about what's said. I need everybody to understand that. It's about what can be proven. So if he cooperates and the state can back it up, it could expand the entire conspiracy, right? If not, it becomes a credibility battle. So in legal chess, every new name has to come with evidence or it weakens the board.
Now, you know one thing, right? One thing I forgot, and that's why I hate we kind of had to rush this episode, is the possibility of him cooperating and giving information beyond this case, like Siobhan Randall, Bubba, Roy Lee, you know what I'm saying? Things of that nature, or stuff tied to some other street things that we don't even know about. You know what I'm saying? I forgot to put in the the likelihood. I forgot that. You know what I'm saying? But hey, if you're a content creator, Madam O, anybody, hey, y'all take that and break it down. You know what I'm saying? See what it is, see what it ain't when it comes to that. I most definitely want to be there because we forgot to add that part in it. Because there is a possibility that he can cooperate and probably give information not just to the MO3 case, but to Siobhan Randall. He got information on that. You know what I'm saying? He got information on Bubba. He got information on Roy Lee. And he got a plethora of other information. This come from Kewon. He said he know a plethora of shit. He got all, like in Mahale voice, he got all the leverage. You feel me? Let's go. What else we got, baby?
All right, so I wanted to deep dive into what a possible plea for Kiwan means, and what it means for Yellow Beezy and Devin Brown, and the likelihood of them taking a plea deal.
Let's go.
So if Kiwan takes a plea, what type matters first? Before we even get to Beezy and Devin, we have to split this into 2 paths, all right? So path A, non-cooperation plea. Kiwan pleads out, no testimony against others. What is the impact? Limited ripple effect. Path B, cooperation plea, the real game changer. Kiwan agrees to testify. He provides the narrative and connections. What is the impact? The entire board shifts. So, assuming cooperation, and this is most important for this particular scenario, the impact on Yellow Beezy. What changes immediately? If Kiwan testifies, the state now has an inside witness, a step-by-step narrative, and potential direct linkage, depending on what he says. This is huge in a murder for hire conspiracy case.
Now I want to edify that. Go back real quick.
I'm sorry. Go ahead, baby.
No, you good. What the hell is going on out there?
I don't know. Somebody out there honking and somebody.
I hope y'all can. I hope that ain't too overbearing through my headphones. You know what I'm saying? But they have 3. If Kewon was to flip and cooperate, they now have 3 inside witnesses. Because you got to add Kewon to Jose Bodega and Jerry Johnson. You know what I'm saying? Which would probably more than likely make Yellow most different. Because I told y'all from the gate before this admonishment even came in, man. I see all these niggas taking the deal. or pleading out. You know what I'm saying? I see it for all of them. And if this is most definitely true that Kewon is taking a deal, Yellow Beezy finna plea out. He finna plea out. Devin I'm already assuming and predicting that Devin gonna plea out because he the only one that can get a 10 to 15 for his role and everything. You know what I'm saying? Instead of going to trial, blowing trial, and getting hit with the max. It would make sense for Devin to go to trial. You know what I'm saying? It would make sense for Devin to go to trial when he can plea out and get a 10 to 15 piece. But niggas be stupid. Whole time niggas stupid. Niggas stupid whole time.
So BZ's risk level after a flip. Before, the case likely relies on circumstantial evidence, cooperators with credibility issues. After, it would now include participant testimony that increases conviction probability significantly. BZ's legal options shift. Option 1, fight it at trial. Strategy, destroy Kewon's credibility. Highlight deal incentives. Attack his inconsistencies. The risk, pretty high. Reward, full acquittal if BZ is successful. Option 2, consider a plea. This becomes more realistic after a flip. Why? Because the state's leverage increases. The defense now sees we're not just fighting evidence, we're fighting a witness who was there.
Let's go. Real quick, Miss Kim, because I know you be over there rocking out with Madam O. Can you please grab her link and drop it in the chat too? Madam O is another content creator. Be dealing with the federal paperwork. You know what I'm saying? That she's very fire with that. Make sure y'all go tap in with Madam O. You know what I'm saying? Another content creator that when it comes to the information, you know what I'm saying? I most definitely reference y'all too when it comes to the federal breakdown and all of it. Y'all want to get the mumbo jumbo narratives and the BS. The people I tell y'all to go listen to when they are breaking down the content, A1. All right? So y'all tap in with Madam O as well. My bad, baby.
All right. So the likelihood BZ takes the deal. Estimated range, 25 to 45%. Why not higher? He's a high-profile defendant. He likely believes he can beat credibility-based witness. The defense may prefer jury gamble over long sentence plea.
Let's go.
So what is the impact on Devin Brown? Key difference, role perception. We already said it's best if Devin's case is more circumstantial and associate driven. That matters a lot here. What Kewon's testimony does to Devin. If Kiwan flips, he can fill in the gaps around Devin, explain Devin's role, his actions, and his connections. This transforms Devin's case from indirect to explained and contextualized.
Let's go. Before you move on, because this is a good point. Salute to Gutter. Let me go back to it. And this is exactly my thing. He said they broke the G code on him. Why he can't break the G code? People he looked up to put him in a position. Man got to do what he got to do. He'll be in PC, but it's the hand he did. It's the hand he dealt. And I agree with you. And that's what I told him. I said, look, at this point, man, I'm not a street nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a street nigga. I'm a whole square out here. But I couldn't even look at Kewon as no rat or nothing because, hell, he the youngest out the bunch, and everybody else is putting themselves in position to do what's best for them. So why can't he and why won't he do the same for himself and still have his credibility intact? But to be honest with you, if he take a deal and get out of this with a man, bro, you better change your life and not even care what them niggas think. You better go be an electrician. You better go get your CDLs. Nigga, move to Utah. Nigga, you better get far away from this nigga and don't even care about it no more. If God bless you with the ability to shake and bake this, boy, you better take that second chance and run with it. I wouldn't even care about what the streets got to say about me. But go ahead. I'm going to get too preachy. But go ahead, baby. All
right. Devin's risk after a flip. Before, defense argument. You're assuming his involvement. After, state argument. Here's someone telling you exactly how he was involved. That's a major shift. Devin's legal options. Option 1, fight it at trial. Attack Kewon's motives or lack of independent proof. Option 2, take a plea, more likely than Beezy, because his case may be easier to reinforce with testimony. He may face less leverage to fight. Likelihood Devin takes a plea. Estimated range, 45% to 70%. Why higher? He's more vulnerable. He has a more vulnerable position, less control of the narrative, greater exposure if testimony fills the gaps.
Let's go.
What is the domino effect? This is key. If Kewon flips, step 1, state strengthens the case. Step 2, Devin feels pressure first. He's most likely to move. Step 3, Beezy evaluates. Can we beat multiple cooperators?
No, you can't, sir. No, you can't.
Can you go ahead and switch me over, baby?
All right. OG Bobby, what it do, man? Salute to everybody in the building. We about to switch over real quick. Y'all gonna see the screen blink for a quick second. You know what I'm saying? For a very quick second, probably a millisecond, man. But make sure y'all hit that like button, though, man. Hit the like button. All right. Boom.
Can you put my background up?
Okay. Let me do all this real quick. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, it's a lot of information in the stream, y'all. A lot of information in the stream, y'all. We be having to use 2 brands. You know what I'm saying? That's just how much information is in here. But we here. We here. Let me move the banner. All right, baby. It's your world, big girl.
All right. So we know the real prosecution strategy, right? They're not just trying to win. They're trying to flip the lowest piece to collapse the higher pieces. Mm-hmm. So the defense strategy shift. If multiple cooperators exist, the defense narrative becomes, they're all saying what the state wants. This is a deal-driven story. No independent truth. This is just incentives. So the trial impact if Kiwan flips for the state equals stronger narrative, easier to tell a story. For the defense, it focuses the shift to credibility destruction or inconsistency exposure. So the final legal chess take for the last portion of this episode, Kiwan flipping doesn't just add evidence, it changes leverage. Beezy becomes more exposed, but still likely to fight. Devin becomes more vulnerable, more likely to consider a deal. And there go y'all legal chess.
There is the legal chess, man. You know what I'm saying?
I had a visual. You know, I got to end with a visual because if you like me, you love a good visual to put it into perspective, right? So we have the legal chessboard, y'all. We have the state on one side, the defense on the other. State, witness takes a plea deal for less time. In the middle, we have the chess piece right there. The cooperating witness choose to testify against the defendant. On the defense's side, often a former friend or co-conspirator. Informants change the game on this here board.
Let's go, man. And that is y'all legal chess, man. You know what I'm saying? Now, hey, bloggers, please put y'all mind to this information. See what y'all come up with. People like Madam O, I know you very entrenched into the Siobhan Randall situation with the Mike T. I would love to hear what y'all come up with y'all perspective and y'all lane in this whole thing. You know what I'm saying? I would love to hear it. You know what I'm saying? We ain't one of the ones who say, oh, they got it from us. No, information is free. Information is available. You know what I'm saying? We put stuff out there so the MO3 sector bloggers, man, y'all could do y'all thing with it. You know what I'm saying? I'll be there listening because I would love to hear the perspective y'all come from. So please, please, please do y'all big one with it if y'all choose to. You know what I'm saying? And another thing that stuck out to me, right? When Kewon first came over to room 901 and he hit the panel, his discrepancy with me was the fact that I was talking about him cooperating. Right? Remember, he cleared that up. I wish I could put it live up and show y'all.
In case people want to come up. If they come up, they come up. If they don't, they don't. But just go ahead, baby. I'm sorry. I just wanted to.
Yeah, you can drop the link while I'm talking if you can. Okay. If not, I'll do it. But yeah, see, when he first came over here, you know what I'm saying? He came over here to kind of clear it up. Like, nah, man, because you said if anybody don't take a continuance, they mean they cooperate. Nah, man, I ain't doing it. And that's when he broke down the whole situation. Like, he can't go back to the feds as a snitch. Woo, woo, woo. And it's kind of crazy that if this is true, the full circle that we are at now. You know what I'm saying? And again, I have no street credibility. I don't want none. But in my eyes, bro, I couldn't call you a rat. I look at Kewon as somebody that was forced to do what he had to do. I really believe if Kewon, the niggas that Kewon got tied up with, would have been solid, he would have kept it solid.
Mm-hmm.
I really believe it. You know what I'm saying? But Kewon seeing all these niggas flip, all these niggas not even fucking with him, set him out to the side, set him out to dry. You know what I'm saying? Kewon saying, fuck that. If y'all finna put y'allself in position, a good position, I'm finna put myself in a good position. And to me, that is a smart young man.
Yeah.
That is a smart young man because he the youngest. Kewon not even 30 years old yet. You know what I'm saying? Got a lot of life left. You know what I'm saying?
A lot of life ahead of him, yeah.
He can make this right with himself. He can make this right with God. You know what I'm saying? And move on, man, and have a successful life, being a father, you know what I'm saying? And possibly giving game to the young homies, man. You know what I'm saying? Of how not to get themselves in these situations. This would be a beautiful life lesson for a nigga like Kewon if he take this opportunity and do what's right with it. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm pretty sure if he fuck up again and get back in, they're going to bury his ass.
Yeah.
They're going to bury him. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, Mahel?
They most definitely broke the big.
Hey, can y'all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Definitely.
Okay, yeah, what's up, y'all? Shout out to room 901 over here. You know what I'm saying? With the exclusive information.
Exclusive.
Hey, so as far as y'all know, so I can make sure I got it correct. So as far as y'all know, he's been off of the deal now.
Yep.
That's basically what's going on.
That's what it's looking like because you got to look at, and we of course we explore all possibilities because it could be that he didn't, right? But what it's looking like, Mahel, the timing of that amount, you coming like that, and think about what Kiwan been telling us, the timing, and then so soon, Mahel, in a couple of days.
Yeah,
that's looking like a plea.
Yeah, and what stuck out to me was most definitely a part that y'all played when he told Josh, hey man, I'm standing on 10. I'm standing on 10. I'm standing on 10. Well, you might as well get ready because I'm standing on 10.
Yep.
Let's go.
I knew what, I know what 10 mean to me. You know what I'm saying? I knew what Josh felt like 10 meant. And we made sure that Kewon knew what 10 meant because Josh explained it and he still said that he was standing on 10.
Facts. Facts, Mahel.
DJ, did you?
Yes, sir. How you doing, 901?
What do, my guy? I got one more person in the back real quick. Get the mic check on. Hold on. Dallas, truth be told, is you?
Yes, sir. Yo.
Hold on, man. Hold on. What said it? Did you?
Yeah. It me.
All right. Okay. All right. Let's go.
Hey, what's up, Mahel? What's up?
What's up, DJ?
Hey, that's the guy that be CashApp and Kiwan right there, man.
The Dallas Truth dude?
Yeah, Dallas Truth guy, man.
Let's go, man. So let me ask y'all. So based on what we went through today, you know what I'm saying? What do y'all think? Y'all think a deal on the table? Y'all think Kewon finna cooperate? You know what I'm saying? Like what's the vibes, man?
Hey man, y'all remember DJ?
Trap Boy Freddy homeboy.
Yeah, not this DJ.
Nah, not Demon Time. Yeah, Trap Boy Freddy homeboy.
Yeah.
What about it?
How y'all not know that that's the boy that popped him?
Oh, because he jumped in it because he was in the truck and wiped his nose.
I don't
in
believe
the truck
it, man.
when he was in the truck with Trap Boy. You know, that's what he talking about when he was in that footage with Trap Boy with the 2 chains on. And Trap said, "I got my young bull in the truck," and he wiped his nose. A lot of us felt like DJ had something to do with it.
Not this DJ.
Did y'all remember that video? Did y'all see that nigga rapping?
Yeah, I seen the video of him rapping as well. Him and Duck Dollar. But this is why I don't believe DJ. This is why I don't believe DJ got nothing to do with it. Because you got to think about DJ's position, his relationship to Trap Boy. That's his close homie. You know what I'm saying? Now let DJ just wanted to do it just so he can, you know what I'm saying, do it to the nigga that shot him. You know what I'm saying? Okay, you can say that. But usually, like with niggas like Smurf and DJ, they ain't finna get their hands dirty. They gonna send a young nigga. They gonna send, you know what I'm saying, a lesser or whatever out to whoever. You know what I'm saying? They gonna get somebody to
Now,
handle that.
It's
I don't think.
definitely a hierarchy.
Yeah, it's a hierarchy. You know what I'm saying? The same way Yellow Beezy and Jerry Johnson, them boys didn't do it. They sent Devin and Kewon out to do it. I don't think DJ and Smurf would be the ones hopping out doing it on no freeway.
Don't play it too?
Yeah, they might have popped out on Bubba.
Okay. Now let me say one thing though, Josh.
What's up, DJ?
Sometimes when the situation personal enough, you will get out there on your own. You know
And
what
I
I'm
was
saying?
just gonna say that. Let's go, DJ. I was gonna say it's personal to him because of Dro. You know, they DJ was real close to Dro as well, you know, and then you gotta factor in Fat Mac. So when you go look at they Instagrams, you know what I'm saying, things of that nature, they be having those cardboard cutouts. DJ,
can you mute your mic up real quick?
Gotta truth be told, you gotta cut your background out, family. You got your TV on or something.
And
turn your walkie-talkie down, dog.
I'm mute them. Come out mute when you get your background right, Dallas Truth. But go ahead, man.
Okay, go ahead.
But yeah, when they all be having them cardboard cutouts, you know what I'm saying? And DJ most definitely made a post that made people feel away, you know, like I think he said, we did this for you. You know, it was on one of those guys, one of the following guys. I think it was Fat Mac. I think it was him that was on the cardboard cutout that DJ and them was talking about, you know, basically they did what they did or had done whatever they did for him, in remembrance of him. You know what I'm saying? So I feel where Dallas is coming from with him maybe playing a part because it was more personal to him and Trap, you know, then that's how I feel about it. It was personal for him.
That drug situation was heavy. It was heavy.
Yeah.
Heavy. Yeah,
I can most definitely see that being a situation. You know what I'm saying? If a nigga feel like, again, if a nigga just chose to just hop out there and get their hands dirty, hey, I can most definitely see that. But in most situations, you know what I'm saying? They gonna send a little one out to do that, man. They gonna send a young nigga out to do that.
Straight
it's just
up.
my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Because
Opinion based.
Yeah, it's opinion based. It's opinion based. But back to the topic though. Back to the topic, man. You know what I'm saying? Kiwan White's potential plea deal. You know what I'm saying? Kiwan White's potential cooperation, and we got the Godfather, Uncle So Faker, what Kiwan call him. You know what I'm saying? We got So Player in the building.
Uncle
man.
So Fake him. Uncle So Fake him.
What's up with your Oak Cliff business, Dallas business, man? You know what I'm saying? Hey man, what you think about it? What you think about it, SP?
I heard a little bit of it, and I came to really talk to you and Mahale.
What's up? Let's go.
So
let's go, player.
Y'all had a conversation with Kiwan, right? And y'all kind of like put him on game to be like, hey, this is what you up against, and got his mind to thinking. Am I up to point?
Most definitely.
Yes.
It just wasn't us. You had people like Madam O and others too, but yeah, you right on point with that.
Right on point with that. Okay. So what was the on 10 point that y'all got him to see the on 10 thing? Like what was y'all
all right, so being on 10, basically Josh brought that up to him, you know what I'm saying, of standing on 10, you know, and that's basically, you know, flipping the script, you know, basically, hey man, thinking about yourself, you know, and basically telling what you know. You know, if you was to stand on 10, and our eyes as far as what we thought was, you know, how we felt, and I think I speak for Josh too when I say how we felt, standing on 10 meant telling what he knows, you know what I'm saying? And he basically confirmed it as, yeah, well, and Josh told him, man, if you was to do that, you know, stand on 10 like that, basically, I would pay for an interview from you. And he said, well, you better get ready because I'm standing on 10.
Right. Most definitely. And he already know our conversations, but this is the thing about it. I don't believe that we how can I say this? Let me say this right. I don't believe that we got Kewon to do something that he wasn't already thinking about. If that is the case, that's what's going on. We gotta make sure we add that. I believe this is something that Kewon already been going back and forth with. You know what I'm saying? He just haven't seen or heard anything that would make him believe that these niggas that he look up to is actually on some fugazi shit. You know what I'm saying? So after talking to a few people from the sector and also talking to his lawyer, seeing what he's seeing, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it sounds like he made his mind up, man. Like the last time we heard from him, he said he talked to his lawyer. You know what I'm saying? It was 75% good, 25% ain't good. He said he coming home. You know what I'm saying? He talking as if, you know what I'm saying? Like shit, he finna do what he gotta do.
Okay. So I got this is a 2-part question. I'm gonna start right here. This is where it go. I just had to get the background, make sure I understood everything. So this question for both of y'all, then I think my second part of the question, you're gonna understand what I'm leading to from the first part. So first part, this not Oak Cliff business. I just gotta say that. For the record. This not Oak Cliff business.
It most definitely is, but let's go.
No, this most definitely my hell. This most definitely my head Texas business. Goddamn me,
yeah, you gotta take the good with the bad, man.
Don't put that on my head, man. Don't put that.
I'm just saying. I'm finna be clear. So I just want to know, y'all advise. This how y'all advise Kewon, and y'all don't know him just other than the MO3 case, right? Y'all just outside of that, y'all wouldn't know this dude, right?
I wouldn't say we advised him, but go ahead.
I get you. I know you're trying to do CYL right now. That's cool. But
go ahead.
At the end of the day, we were standing on 10, and we showed him standing on 10, but we really didn't show him standing on 10. But we showed him standing on 10, but we really didn't do that. But I get it. I get it. You see what I'm saying? I feel the wavery right there. I feel the wavery right there. But it's cool. We're gonna get through the ripple effect. Okay. So I want to know: would you advise your son or your brother or your uncle to do the same?
Goddamn right. If in this situation, to where
I say this situation, I said period.
But peep this though. You
can't change my question. Just yes or no. I'm just looking for yes or no.
No. Because you got to add the context.
I don't need context. We all know the context. It's just yes or no.
But listen though.
Yes or no. You're backpedaling.
Okay. Let me start with the answer. Yes.
Yes or no. Start there.
No. Yes, but let me add the context though, because the context is
important. Go to Mahale. I heard yes from you. What you got, Mahale?
Hold on, real quick.
Well, we're gonna get back to the content, but I just want to hear the answers first.
All right.
Anything outside of that?
All right, go ahead.
Answers first.
Go ahead. My question is yes.
Would you tell your son, your uncle, your brother, your best friend, your partner to do this?
Yes.
This nigga so player. All right, now can I add the context?
Now hit your context, because part 2 coming.
Okay, all right, okay, boom. So in this situation, where he's in a situation to where, you know what I'm saying, everybody around him, probably besides Yellow Beezy at this point, because even Yellow Beezy probably get to even whatever decision that
I ain't talking about Yellow Beezy, I'm talking about your kinfolk.
No, hear me out though.
That's what I'm talking about though.
Look at Jose Bodega.
I'm not talking about Jose Bodega though.
Hold on, listen. But
I'm not talking about them.
But
I want to know what you would do with your people.
I'm telling you, you gotta listen.
Well, you would they name.
They not up for trial. Right now, we're talking about this particular situation.
Hold on.
So if they was in the same situation,
that's what. But you gotta understand.
Would you advise them?
But you gotta understand the when you say same situation, you gotta understand the situation. So let me explain.
I understand the situation since day one. I was here since 2012. I understand it very well.
Okay. All right. So just let me explain.
I don't need an explanation of the situation.
You may not, but the people listening may.
Okay, let's give me. Okay.
So let me get. I'm gonna do it very fast, right? You take everybody that's associated, whether they're indicted or they been subpoenaed to testify. Right? Everybody seeming like whatever decision that they're choosing to make, they're making it in the best interest of themselves. Kewon is not realizing that. Kewon is just not realizing that is the case. Right? Okay. So what I told Kewon and it's on Wax is whatever you choose to do, nigga, if you choose to go to trial, make sure you doing it because that's what you want to do.
Hello. Okay, just making sure. Okay, go ahead.
And it's not because you trying to be loyal to some niggas who not being loyal to you. So in this situation, I will most definitely tell my son, nigga, you better think about yourself first, because them niggas ain't thinking about you.
Okay, I'm glad you said that, Josh, right there. So
with Josh, what Josh said, and since I get I get to say what I want to say, and with what Josh said, I think Josh is exactly right in that and what he just said. And then on top of that, if it's my son, I'm standing on 10 behind mine. I'll take out any one of you niggas behind mine. We gonna go to war behind mine. I'm just saying, we gonna go to war behind mine.
Your answer different than his. So right on, boom. So because your answer, you talking about going to war, he talking about going to court. So like
we both said yes though. We just got two different.
But he backpedaled on that yes, and he going to war on case
But
the
can
war
I
is the
say something
courtroom.
real quick? I want to add context because this is
Yes,
what
go
I
ahead.
think this point that is being made.
War's the courtroom, in the streets, whatever, however. I'm standing on business behind mine. Yeah,
This is
believe
the thing
that.
this is the thing that I think people are
Man, crazy.
First of all, Kiwan was at the point where he was like, you know, I'm standing on 10, I ain't saying nothing. You know what I'm saying? This is about loyalty, this what that is, right? Mm-hmm. As his case progressed and he's seen more information coming in and learning more things, he understood, damn, these niggas ain't even keeping it real with me. I'm sitting here being loyal to some niggas that could give a damn about me. So just to put it into context for you, so player, to have this
I get it.
animosity or whatever this energy is, and I'm not,
I'm just questioning. So I'm gonna get to it. I got a second part of the question.
Listen to me. To have this animosity or whatever it is,
it ain't no animosity. I'm just
no, you know how
it ain't no energy.
You have to. It's nothing. You have to think about. You have to think about where this boy's position is on the board. And his position was, I'm staying down with these niggas. And these niggas over there ain't even true. They ain't even being true to me. So
why do y'all think I don't understand that?
I feel him. I feel him to the utmost.
I get listen to me legally.
Energy for them, so player. You can't.
So I get out. No. Y'all think my perception, because I came like that, I don't understand the legal ramifications?
Hold on. So before you get
So
before you get into the part two, because I want to hear your part two of your question, then we're gonna get to Miss Kimberly too. Before you get to your part two, you know I love doing this with you, so player. You know what I'm saying?
Let's go.
Man. You know what I'm saying? This you know I like to argue, debate, go back and forth. You know how I am. But look, you answer your own question. Given the context, would you tell your son, nephew, whatever the case may be, would you advise him or tell him to do what's in his best?
I can already tell you don't got to get through the whole. Can I ask the question? No. If he a street nigga doing all that, no.
Okay, all right.
He not no legal regular ass nigga.
So even if his own homeboy's flipping on him,
yeah, he got to play by the code now. He got to play by the code, and I'm gonna tell him I don't care what them other niggas do.
Hey, Cooley.
Hey, Cooley. What's up, girl?
And that's Oak Cliff business.
Well, you can't say that to Trap Boy.
Man, I'm telling you what the business is. I'm from there. Like, hey, I'm not. What y'all saying is snitch because they snitched. Let's just be clear.
But
that's what you're saying. That's what you're saying. Bottom line, say Kewon, he gonna snitch on you. He gonna snitch on you. So look out for yourself. You need to snitch on them. That's all you said.
This is what I'm saying.
This is what I'm saying. So I gotta put that on you and Mahale or whoever's on the panel. Add to the list. I don't care.
I ain't tripping.
That's not Oak Cliff business. That's y'all business. Y'all to do it. Y'all ain't gonna put that on Oak Cliff.
I promise I ain't tripping. Hey, niggas telling on me, forget them niggas. Yeah, because they already said forget me. So forget them. Forget them. Their life ain't no more valuable than mine. We can take it down through that. I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
I get it.
They got a mom and daddy. I got a mom and daddy. I've been holding it solid this whole time. You niggas trying to play with me, I'm going to play with y'all. And it's whatever come behind.
I think Josh had the best answer for it. Hey, do what you want to do because I ain't going to tell nobody to do that.
Hey, man. Look, the only thing I can tell
no street dude to violate the code just because some other dudes did.
Let's go, Cooler.
Hey, look.
And I know that.
And them other dudes is my co-defendants, and they already told everything.
Say, man. I'm gonna tell you like this.
Free your brother. Free him along,
man. Let me show you how real I am with this, and I'm gonna leave on this so y'all can get back to the content. I just
I
want
don't want you to leave. I don't want to be rude. I don't want you to leave. So play.
Okay, I won't. I'm just let me say this one thing. I know this from personal experience. I was on the M case in Lulu with the same shit going on that Kiwan got going on. Everybody ratting told. But when you solid, you solid. That's all I'm gonna say to that. Now what you got?
Solid don't get you nothing but the goddamn lethal injection. Nigga,
Solid got me right here free talking to y'all with no snitch records, no nothing.
Let me say this.
What you mean?
I didn't hear that story, so play.
What you mean?
Hold on. We gotta look at your paperwork too, so play. I'll just play.
Say, man, go get it. Let me stop. Case dismissed. Listen, I'm not telling you nothing that's not Oak Cliff business. Everybody in Oak Cliff know about this.
But let me say these
y'all
two
just
things.
Don't. Let me say this. Cool.
Let me say these two things, then we're gonna swing it to Miss Kim real quick. And you never got the part 2 of your question. But anyway, listen.
The part 2, yes, I did.
Okay, cool.
I just threw it in. I basically was saying it like y'all basically just saying they told on you, tell on him, right? Y'all just told the nigga to snitch because he was getting snitched on.
And that's what I want to clarify, right? Okay. I told Kewon that whatever you choose to do, because me being a full-blown 35-year-old square, right? I can't tell a street nigga to tell. I could just offer you the information to show you that the niggas around you is flipping. But then I told Kewon, look, because I understand Kewon when he say shit like, hey man, I can't go back to the feds. I can't go back to certain places with a snitch jacket on. So my understanding of that, I told him, well, look, bro, whatever you choose to do, whether you take a deal or whether you go all the way with it, let that be because that's what Kewon want to do. Don't do it. Whatever you choose to do, don't do it because you trying to be loyal to some niggas that ain't loyal to you.
Being loyal to you.
Hold on. Let
me finish.
Josh, you regurgitating. I agree with you on though. I agree with you. Said Josh had the best answer for it. I said that.
Now, if Kewon took that, if Kewon processed that and said, man, look, I'm finna get myself out this situation, then that's on him. You know what I'm saying? And
that is on him. I wouldn't be telling him to do it though. Because you're not the person that's telling him to do it, not the person going to sit there and ride that out either. So that's so easy to say.
And that's why
that's so easy to say.
And that's why street niggas need to stay away from squares, man. Cause we gonna make
that nigga better take some of that MO3 money he got and invest in him a shank and put his back against the wall. That's what he better do.
Damn, hell shit.
Nah,
what MO3 money he got? What MO3 money he got? Did he get the money? Y'all got that or something? He got some money? I thought he was broke. What money he got?
He most definitely got some form of a payment, remember? $40,000 we know he got for sure.
Don't include me in there and put no remember. I'm asking you. Don't include me and say
they said that in open court. Hey, I'm not gonna play dumb with you. I'm not from Oak Cliff. I don't stand on Oak Cliff business.
Yeah, I ain't from the play.
I'm from the country, nigga.
Yeah, right up.
Yeah,
why my head Texas business.
Baby, swing it to Kimberly.
Yeah, what Kimberly got for me? I'm gonna walk in Walmart.
Okay, first off, I want to say it was another epic episode. Thank you. You did marvelous.
Thank you.
They the bomb.com. They number one on YouTube.
I was gonna only have one question for Soul Play, but I want to say this before I ask my question to you. I will say this: people nowadays like to say that they're street until life and death come about, and courtrooms come about, and your freedom come about. And so there are a lot of people who say they street, but then they were pretending because real street people will do what they do, whether people telling them or not. But there are a lot of people pretend to be street when they're not. And you said that you had a case and it was dismissed, correct?
Yeah.
I want to support that paperwork. I want to see that. The other thing is, no, for real, because we're talking facts here. I would love to see it.
I'm sitting here free talking to you. That is the fact.
So my question, well, I don't know. Speaking of, when did this happen? That would be nice to know. What year?
That was 2010.
Not too far ago. Okay. And then my question to you is, so if you were facing exactly the same things that Kiwan is facing, the whole thing. No. Listen to what I'm saying. I mean, the exact same thing. The only thing we're taking out is Kiwan and putting you in this place.
I didn't have no money involved.
Listen. I'm asking you a question pertaining to Kiwan, and I'm switching Kiwan out for you. Pretending you Kiwan with everything that's going on right now. You would stay solid. Don't say nothing. While everyone behind betray you, turn on you, and whatever you want to take, you'll take. Meaning, if they say for life, you never get out of prison. You would rather take that than to think about yourself. Than to do time.
I am thinking about myself in that decision. That's what you don't get.
No. Say it again.
You just have a difference of opinion of thinking about yourself.
No, see,
yes.
I don't do the word game.
Yes. We just have a difference of opinion on it. How you gonna tell me what I am and not thinking about? Explain that.
No. I said you using wordplay. I gave you.
No, I'm not. I'm telling you, I thought about it. You saying I didn't. I'm saying, how do you know that?
I don't think I'm
questioning you.
If I did say I didn't, my bad. What I'm saying to you is the exact circumstance, and you just Kiwan.
I've already made my stance on that. I've already made my stance on that. I wouldn't tell him to do it nor do it.
Wait,
he shouldn't be in that situation. Me right now, in the situation I am, legal, this to answer your question, me legally, no hustling, no nothing, just legal grown man, citizen, civilian out here. I would tell that person, me, the soul player today, yes. But the soul player back then, just like the Kewon right now, he can't do that. He's not in the position that I'm sitting in today as a civilian, a citizen, not a street nigga, not a gang member. He can't say that.
Well, I would say this to you because I know you have a platform, and I will hope you will want our communities to be better than they were in the past and how they currently are. I will hope if you're a real street dude, I will hope. I'm not saying
I
you
didn't
never
say that.
or don't. I don't know. I will hope you would use your
I never
platform.
said I was a real street dude.
I said if.
Okay.
We're just having conversation here. Calm down. That you would use your platform to, talk about what you went through, like you said, your issues, to think differently and do differently so our communities be better. Forget these so-called gangs and gangs that are destroying our communities and
It's probably
families.
not gonna happen because my platform is not based on me.
I said it would be a nice gesture to do because we live in these different communities and go on. We basically, are you tired of everything that's going on in these Black and brown communities, killing each other, families being lost, prison times, kids from their parents, etc.
I just got my platform based on something else. It's not based around that.
See, he don't want to be locked down with something. It's cool, but the whole point of it
I'm just
is
saying my platform's been here for 6 years. It's not based
Plea,
around
are
that.
you
It's not
answering?
gonna start tomorrow.
Are you answering these questions based off the seasoned OG that stand on this square? I know what you stand on. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Let me get the question now, because you can't. You know what I'm saying? You can't be a double-minded man. You know what I'm saying? Me and you didn't have a vast. We didn't have very vast conversations. You know what I'm saying? We didn't talk it up. We didn't talk about the street shit with the MO3 shit. We didn't went all the way to the square compass with it. You know what I'm saying? So are you answering this question as a member, as a man that stand on his square? Are you answering this question like low key? So you mean to tell me
you don't gotta do all that? You don't gotta do all that. I'm answering as me.
You know I gotta
put
on.
Twist it.
It's a theatrics. It's a theatrics.
I'm just saying. I get it, but like it's like I said what I said. I don't know if they wanted to be soul player, they wanted to be low key, they wanted to be Keenan. I said it.
And you answered the question as who you are today, not who you was.
And that is me looking out. And let me clear this up. That is me looking out for him because my phone ring at least 5 to 10 times a week from people from jail, including Kiwan ass.
When the last time you talked to Kiwan?
Last week. So I'm just saying, including this nigga. So I'm just saying, I know niggas that's on life sentences. I know niggas got 10 pieces. I know niggas got 2 to 3 little 5 pieces. I know niggas got a 15. It's like, gotta listen.
He's breaking up.
Yeah, your audio cutting out. But you ain't the only one though. You know what I'm saying? You ain't the only one, man. I got a couple partners doing life right now. I got a partner doing life because he killed my homegirl. My homeboy killed my homegirl. You know what I'm saying? They was together. So like I'm just a square at 35, but I ain't always been 35.
Damn,
you know what I'm saying? I ain't always been 35. Now the 20-year-old me, the 19-year-old me, bro, I wouldn't even be on YouTube talking about this stuff. But me coming making it from the trenches, the darkness that I made it out of. I can offer somebody a different level of advice at 35 years old. I would be selling Kewon short if I didn't offer him the wisdom that I would have wished somebody would have offered me or my guys back when we was out young doing what we was doing. I think you would be you know what I'm saying, kind of selling the younger generation short, man, if that's your approach. You would be selling your son hypothetically short if that's your approach, man.
And another thing I would like to add to that, Josh, is and to the panel, is that they don't talk about, when you got to go through court and your so-called gang members. A lot of them will not. If you get hammed up, a lot of them will not show up at court or anything, and so you get caught up and now you in this by yourself. I even read, what's his name, CEO Jizzle, Memphis. He talking about him by himself, etc. But he got a gang. Well, no, he don't have a gang. I'm gonna take that back. But you know what I mean. Yeah. And so, who would want to be a part of a so-called family or gang? We all together. But then when I get hemmed up, there's nobody in the courtroom for me. That people want to run away from me, not even come close to me. That's a facade. So to be honest, this street stuff, almost curse, is a facade. The streets aren't loyal to anybody whatsoever. Right. So why would anybody want to play the street code? When, to be honest, there's no code in the streets. If we're gonna be completely honest about it, we say there's codes in it, but if we're gonna be real, it really isn't.
And I wanted to add to that. You have these overgrown men.
Absolutely not.
You have these overgrown men speaking this way, right? And they have children. So
I just I really wanted to speak to Social Player. That's what made me come up.
Miss Kim, can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Go ahead.
Can you hear CB?
Can you hear me?
No.
Yes, because
you might have to drop. You might have to drop down and refresh. You know, somebody drop down, so you might have to drop down and refresh if you want to come back up because CB was talking. You weren't able to hear her.
Was she talking to me?
She was just elaborating to what you just said, but.
Okay, I'll get out and come back up then.
Okay.
So my thing is, what I was saying was, these are overgrown men speaking this way with children. My question to these men that say, I wouldn't do this, I wouldn't do that, who matters the most? These so-called street niggas that don't have no loyalty to you or your children? Like, we're not gonna play the game of semantics. You know what I'm saying? Like, ain't nobody got time to be playing all that. At the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? The thing is, Kiwan recognized that I'm sitting here being loyal to some MFers that couldn't give a damn about me. Period. Point blank. Bottom line.
Exactly.
Who I want to show my loyalty to. He got a whole baby. Damn them niggas. And I'm just being real.
Let's go, CB. Same thing I said.
For real.
They got a family. He got a family. They done threw him up under the bus, and you still saying, yeah, don't say nothing. Just stay up under the bus. What?
Yeah. Right. Because when I even spoke to him, when you was on the panel of my hair, I said, I told him the exact same thing. You have a daughter to go home to.
Yeah.
Like, forget that.
Yeah, and that's just real. You know what I'm saying? Like, people always want to speak this street code, but at the end of the day, the streets ain't loyal to nobody, and you have two avenues for it, either dead or in jail. Period.
But one thing I did learn from, you know what I'm saying, the streets, like I always say, I was a hood nigga. I was never a street nigga. You know what I'm saying? But if you're a hood nigga, you surrounded by the stuff that come with the streets. You know what I'm saying? It's just a decision you make. Do I want to get knee deep in this or get in and get out? You know what I'm saying? I was just blessed enough to get in and get out. But one thing I did learn is, you know what I'm saying? Even with some players saying up here saying what he would or wouldn't do, it's easy to say that when you're not in that situation.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying? Until your son is going through this, until you have a close relative, a son, well, he said a son, until your son is actually going through a situation like this. I heard your opinion. I heard what you're saying, but hey, man, I know so player, he say he been through whatever, you know what I'm saying? Okay, that's cool. You know what I'm saying? But until your son, because that it hit even different. You made it out, and you got a case dismissed. You was able to escape a certain situation, and you gonna tell your son to get knee deep in the situation? I don't believe it. It sound good.
You heard what I said if it was my son.
Mm-hmm.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying? And not only am I gonna tell my son, look, son, put yourself in the best possible position for yourself, and when you do that, and you are released, don't even care about what the streets say. Like I said, nigga, move to Utah, move to Kansas, move somewhere far away. Go get a trade. Go be an electrician. Get your CDLs. Nigga, do that. And don't even worry about what the streets think about you. Because them niggas, because listen to what the streets is telling you to do. I hope Kiwan is listening. Listen to what these niggas is telling you to do. They telling you basically, man, forget your daughter, forget your mama, forget your baby mama, forget anybody that you love on the outside, nigga, be loyal to us. And
who ain't loyal to you. That's the crazy part.
Man,
Josh, who ain't loyal to you. That's the key point that people is looking over. It ain't like everybody is keeping it solid within this situation. Quote unquote, real street ninjas is the ones who are telling on you. They got to go deal with those same jackets that they talking about you got to deal with. They got to deal with them same ones, and they ain't giving a damn.
Exactly. And that's exactly what I feel the exact same way, because you want me to turn my back on my blood family that love me, but you street say you guys love me and care for me, but when I'm hemmed up, where you all at?
Man, they don't care, man. The street ain't no love in them streets, man. It's a dog eat dog world for real. You know what I'm saying? It's a dog eat dog world for real in them streets, man. You know what I'm saying? And that's why I said, man, I can't even, you know what I'm saying? Like, my word ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? But me personally, I couldn't even look at Kewon as no, you know what I'm saying, as not being solid. Because they forced him in this situation. I believe Kewon would have rolled this out if they was willing to ride it out with him. But you know what I'm saying? Them boys doing what's best for them.
And if they were supporting him, I think he would have too.
Yeah, most definitely.
Mm-hmm. And if we're gonna be honest, even back in the day, you had these different so-called gang leaders, ops or whatever. But the kings are the ones in control of their gangs. What they're doing, they chilling with each other, hanging out while the lower people, taking each other out, going to jail.
Man.
Yep. It's just crazy. So Mahel, all in all, well, this to the whole panel. Mahel, do you think this is one of those things where he want to go and hear the judge say, look, do you understand your charges? You taking it to trial, that final yes? Or do you think this is where Kewon will take a plea deal?
I think Kewon, I think this is where the ultimate decision making time is upon us. This is deal or no deal. You understand? Like he gotta really buckle down and decide what it is. Just like what we was up here debating about with Plea. He got to decide whether he's gonna stay solid for the streets or if he gonna tell what he know because they already told on him.
Yep.
This is that time.
What you think, Miss Kim?
I concur with Mahel, but I would also like to add, if Kewon really doesn't know how to read, they need to make sure someone is reading, what's going on with his case, so he fully understands what's going on. If he cannot read, but yeah. I think if he can bargain a little bit longer, I think he is contemplating a deal. But I also think he may be perhaps trying to get more information or figure out what others are doing before he makes a final decision to go ahead and look out for himself.
Well, I want to add, we at the admonishment, right? So we did hammer on what admonishment means. So this is the judge telling him, look, I hope you understand these charges, because if you decide to take it to trial, ain't no coming back from that. It is what it is. Or you can take this deal.
Right.
And what stood out to me is, you know what I'm saying, that this was only in Kewon's docket.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? If this was the type of admonishment to where they bringing them in and saying, look, do you understand the charges? Woo, woo, woo. And it's just that, I believe it would have been on Devin's docket. You know what I'm saying? I believe it would have been on Yellow Beezus. It's very peculiar. Now, this coming with me having limited, you know what I'm saying, knowledge with these things. You know what I'm saying? I learn as I go. But it's very peculiar that this, like the timing of it, and that it's only in Kewon's docket. It's only in Kewon's docket.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? And if a deal is on the table, it's my assumption, it's my belief that Kewon had to approach them with a certain type of value that would make them want to give him a deal. Because I don't believe under their own recognizance, they just would have woke up one day and said, hey, let's offer Kewon a deal. No, when they can get a full-blown conviction off Kewon.
Well, and we got to look at how it was.
No, Pretty Gems. We are not fighting for justice for Kewon. It's always justice for MO3. But in part of getting justice for MO3, Kewon has basically to do what he got to do.
I got to start reading the comments when I'm up here. When I'm on the panel, I usually be in the chat reading. But you're absolutely right. We are 100% MO3 supporters, but we're also letting Kewon know, do what's best for you. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you played your part, but that doesn't negate the fact that we can still tell him to do what's best for you, especially when other people are turning on him and not being loyal to him.
It just don't make it just doesn't make sense for it to go any other way. And it seems like Kewon wasn't privy to a lot of information. And I was saying before this that we have to look at the sequence of events. Kewon was very confident. I have not seen nothing that's gonna make me want to tell. I ain't seen nothing. Then it slowly started to dwindle down. And when Kewon heard Josh say what his theory was, Kiwan had that same vision because why he seen Jose and Jerry in the same cell together. So Kiwan, right? It's my belief that Kiwan right then and there said, "What the hell? Like, it's some shit going on," and this just stamped that for me. You know what I'm saying?
And remember,
he cried.
And remember, he already said he feel like Dog or Jerry may have done some things as it pertains to what's his name, Ducky P. So he always had reservations already prior to you or us talking to him about Jerry's loyalty and his moves. So I think it's just different things came together. I don't think I wasn't a part of that live where I heard everything, but yes. So it's like he's putting the puzzle together. He adding up the different numbers and he realizing, wait a minute, nah. Because, we can feel something and then ignore it, but it be right there. Then you get confirmation, something else, and you're still not sure, but you're starting to see it a bit more. You're like, wait a minute. You know what I mean? I think that's what he had.
Yeah.
Then y'all got to add this too. The first to the deal the first to the deal get a better deal. So not only is there plea pressure, there's pressure for him to if he feel like these other dudes will potentially take a deal, he better go get that deal first because the first one that gets the best deal.
Mahad, do you remember when Kiwan said was adamant? Nah, I'm going first. I'm going first. Remember that?
Yeah, he said y'all can say whatever y'all want to, but I'm telling y'all I'm going first. Yeah, I remember that.
Yep. I remember that. Like that just stays in my head because he was adamant. He was like, I'm going first. I'm telling y'all, I'm the one that's going first. He kept saying it.
But he also dropped off to us that it was two people that was getting investigated for Bubba.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? He said he brought that up. You know what I'm saying? And let us know that. He brought up the Roy Lee situation, let us know that. Kewon has been dropping little stuff here and there, and I think that, maybe some of the things, and like when he asked Madam O if his name came up or something like that in the paperwork, maybe the GRC paperwork, I think. You know what I'm saying? He asked her about that. And also the linking with the Mike T with the Siobhan Randall thing, like all of that could tie in to him having knowledge of what Josh said earlier of other crimes that was committed, to where he would be an asset to them people outside of the MO3 case.
That's what I was just about to say. Like one of them Jones will be his get out of jail free card or something.
Not so much get out of jail free, but more leverage to bargain for a better deal. And he kind of, I'm not sure about you all, panel, but to you, Josh, he's kind of reminding me of Cornelius Smith with the young Dolph. They took him for whatever. And he got sobered up, and remember, he said Govan allegedly, started talking first, so he started cooperating, and so I'm sure he's helping with a lot of others. And I believe if Kewon do the same thing with these other cases, it will give him leverage to get a deal and a decent deal, but not one to get out in 10 years. And also, speaking of that, that's right. Go subscribe to Madam O and get your memberships because she do talk about those cases that you all just mentioned with the what is it, Randa Shadell or whatever the name is, with the kid with the little girl that was unalived.
Siobhan.
Drugs. There you go, Siobhan. Thank you. Yes.
Yeah, and that's the thing. See, the thing about Cornelius Smith is they had no evidence to corroborate his testimony. So he took a plea, but it didn't end up in a conviction for Govan or nobody else. You know what I'm saying? It gets kind of fell on deaf ears. You know what I'm saying? But in Kewon's situation, I most definitely believe that there's evidence and other things outside the MO3 case that he can lead them to. You know what I'm saying? But Craig, my boy Craig said, Josh, you ready for your day in court, bro? Nigga, please. Nigga, please.
But the only thing I will say about that, I do believe that they had the evidence as far as in the young Dolph, just me personally, what I personally feel. But I do personally allegedly feel like the other side 100% got that place locked down because of their influence and, throwing a case or omitting evidence or destroying evidence. And Dallas is corrupt too, but not as corrupt from my perspective as Memphis. And I think that's the reason why he got away the way he did.
Well, when you talk about evidence, because in a case like that, because it was like a murder for hire as well.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like it wasn't no bank records attached to them. Them boys barely got paid.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? He admitted that there was no communication between him and Big Jook or nobody like that. You know what I'm saying? So it wasn't no communication linking CMG, yo guy to Big Jook to the situation. You know what I'm saying? The only form of communication that he testified to was Big Jook writing him a letter, you know what I'm saying, with $300 attached to it. And he said he flushed that down the toilet. So, you know what I'm saying? It really wasn't no type of communication or bank records tying, you know what I'm saying? Because when you talk about evidence in a situation like that, that's what you're going to need. You're going to need communication, you know what I'm saying, or some type of financial linkage to them. And it wasn't that.
I will agree with that, and also obviously there's way more evidence with Kiwan, but Kiwan remind me so much of Cornelius because he did the most damage in my opinion. And if it's just one shooter, like they saying, which I kind of think is two, but if it's just one, it reminds me so much of that. The Cornelius and the Kiwan, the being taken advantage of and written off, but they're a little smarter than what we think they are.
Right, and that's the example that I give. Like that's the example I give a lot of these young guys. Look at the Young Dolph case. The only two people that's doing time right now, because you got Straight Drop doing life. He done tried to appeal. He in there going through it. You know what I'm saying? He trying everything he can do to get out this situation now that he in it. You just look at them young boys. You know what I'm saying? Now, of course, Big Jook dead, but everybody else go van around here doing interviews and blogging, and yo, God is still living his life. You know what I'm saying? Blake Youngstein, the only ones that's going through it is them young boys. You know what I'm saying? This how it's gonna work. You know what I'm saying? If you the send out, you're gonna be the send out not just for the situation that they sending you out for, but the whole way through. You know what I'm saying? The easiest one to convict are the shooters. You know what I'm saying? The easiest ones to convict are the shooters. It just so happened that Yellow Beezy used a bank to do whatever he did.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? But if
Absolutely.
Yellow Beezy would have never used a bank, if he would have used street money, Kewon and Devin would be the only people going down for this. Yellow Beezy would probably be able to beat this. The same way that Jook probably would have been able to beat it if he was still alive. Look at Govan. Govan got acquitted. So, this how these situations go, man. Them young boys need to wake up. Now, if you're going to do your dirt, you know what I'm saying? If you're going to be a thug, don't let nobody send you out to do your dirt and be a thug, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't let nobody send you out, because you see all the rappers, all the OG rappers that people been looking up to for years are saying, man, F the streets.
Dumbo Cash, everybody didn't get life in the XXXTentacion situation. The big dude with the glasses that told on everybody got 5 years. He just got out.
I was just about to say that. What's his name? Shoot. I was just looking at that earlier. You're absolutely right. Yep.
And I believe that was a paid hit too, but you see the only ones going through it is the sendouts.
Right, a paid hit, but disguised as a robbery gone wrong.
Yeah, the only ones going through it is the sendouts. I believe what happened to Nipsey Hussle was a hit.
100%.
You know what I'm saying? Now, Big U still in there, but I ain't seen nothing that's saying that he's gonna be tried for Nipsey Hussle. You know what I'm saying? But the only person in there is the person that got sent out. You know what I'm saying? Man, so all that, the streets, man, look, man, that's why I thank God I'm a square. You know what I'm saying? I don't even deal with niggas like that. I tell niggas off the muscle, man, don't get in my car with nothing you don't supposed to have, because if you think I'm even finna play with the police for you, nigga, you got it mistaken. You got it mistaken, nigga. That's not mine. That's his. Because if you mess with me, if we cool the way you say we cool, you wouldn't even send me up shit creek like that.
Right, you're not gonna be around me and put me in jeopardy like that.
Exactly,
Absolutely.
nigga. You gonna stand on your 10 if you mess with me like that. You know what I'm saying? I shouldn't even be in a position to tell on you. Because nigga, you gonna tell on yourself if anything, or we both gonna be quiet. And even then, nigga, I'm not being, look, man, hey, man, that's not mine, officer. If he said it's mine, he lying. It is his. You know what I'm saying?
Own up to your ish.
Man, you hear me? It's men. You know what I'm saying? If you do the crime, do the time, my guy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I got to jump down. Great show, y'all. Great show. I enjoyed it. I got to jump down.
All right, salute, man. Drop your link one more time,
salute,
man.
All right, DJ.
And DJ, you can drop your link in the chat too, man. You know what I'm saying? Drop your link in the chat. Moderators, can y'all drop Madam O link in the chat one more time before we get up out of here? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's basically it for me, man. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see if Mr. Law and Kewon go live and clear the air like they call they lives, the reckonings. You know what I'm saying?
On the other hand, we'll be watching the docket.
Or we'll be watching the docket because there's a very strong possibility that Kewon might not say anything anymore. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? If he took a deal, he might not say anything anymore. You know what I'm saying? And it's because again, y'all, and let me reiterate this. Legal chess, we discover all likely and logical possibilities. All right. Yes, we strongly believe that there is a deal on the table. Mm-hmm. And we strongly believe, based off the conversation we had with Kewon, that if there is a deal on the table, Kewon most definitely be taking that deal. But no way, no shape, no form does this automatically mean that Kewon is taking a deal or he's cooperating. All right? Please get that understood, because I don't want nothing to come out. Like, well, y'all said this and it was wrong. No. We discover all the possibilities, then we tell y'all what we think going on. You know what I'm saying? But this right here means something. You know what I'm saying? It means something. It's now or never for Kiwan White. It is now or never for Kiwan White, man. You know what I'm saying? He's in a pivotal position right now.
He most definitely is.
Put up or shut up.
Put up or shut up, man.
I have a question for you, CB and Josh. Do you know if they have? Because I know some courts have it to where they can send out the information, you get on Zoom while they do hearings. Have this been going on? Because I haven't been like physically trying to find out with this MO3 case.
Usually if they do something regarding this, it's usually on the YouTube channel, the judge's YouTube channel. She does have her own YouTube channel, but they haven't recently. I think the last thing they had was the bond hearing. But usually when stuff go on, I don't think it's Zoom. I think they just basically do it via the YouTube channel, either coming from the news or the judge's specific courtroom channel.
Okay, because I was about to say, because I know some courtrooms do it to where they do put the Zoom out there for the public if they want to log on and hear the hearing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And salute to the sis job, man. Salute to the sis job, man, for the 1999 super chat, man. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, sis. You know we love you. I was looking for you. I'm like, dang, what giant? You know what I'm saying? But she came through like a wrecking ball, man, with the 1999, man. You know what I'm saying? Long live 3. We most definitely appreciate you, sis. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? But we're going to be watching the docket. We're going to be watching the docket again. The date for this is April 1st. April 1st. And also, y'all, April is gearing up to be a one of those months. You know what I'm saying? A very pivotal month in this case and trial. You know what I'm saying? It's gearing up to be a pivotal month in this case and trial, man. Hold on, man. Josh looking like a fake Bud B on his avatar. Hold on, nigga. I'm over here got to wait, man. You know, I'm almost 200 pizzazz because not only did this come through the through the wash, you know what I'm saying? Jerry Johnson situation, you know what I'm saying? Jerry Johnson will be getting sentenced this month if he don't file another continuance.
Mm-hmm.
So that's on the table.
That's what I'm trying to say.
That's on the table for this month too, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Jerry Johnson sentencing is on the table for this month as well. So, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot to look into, but y'all know we ain't going to force the MO3 content. We ain't going to force it. You know what I'm saying? We're going to continue to cook up. We're going to continue to watch the docket. And if it's something that's worth bringing y'all, we're going to bring y'all. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, we got other content too. We got the Tupac situation. The Tupac trial is ongoing the same way as this MO3 situation. And a lot of us then spent the last 30 years talking about Tupac still alive, what happened to Tupac, who was involved. So it's only right that we stay in tune with the trial. You know what I'm saying? It's only right that we stay in tune with the trial because they actually got Keefe D in trial. You know what I'm saying? So we finna bring that to y'all. I know we've been talking about it. We finna bring that to y'all this week and maybe the next episode, barring any breaking news that come out about this MO3 situation.
That is awesome. And I would like to say,
I got a whole documentary I'm gonna cook up for that and everything. We finna do that one.
I would like to say thank you all for going live. I know y'all normally do it on Tuesdays and Thursdays because I got a busy day tomorrow in choir rehearsal. So thank you all for doing legal chess tonight. I really
Most
enjoyed
definitely, Miss
y'all's
Cam.
spirit. Thank you. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop down. You all did another epic show. This legal series have the whole internet locked down. Thank you.
Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Salute to Kimberly, man. Thank you, Kimberly.
Bye.
All right, you take it easy, Kimberly. Take it easy. My guy Dallas Truth. What's up with you, man? You got any last words? We finna end this. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, man. Y'all go check out that DJ. DJ got that boy Trap got a song called Free DJ. Gotta hear that song called Free DJ.
Okay. All right. Bet.
Free DJ, man. Just hear that right there. When y'all come back, y'all probably gonna have something to say.
All right. Say less. We gonna look into that, my guy. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate you for rocking out, man, with the channel. You know what I'm
Rock out
saying?
till we pop out. We
Send it,
gotta
man.
rock out till we pop out, baby.
You already know, man. Sending that super chat through, supporting the channel, man. We most definitely appreciate you, gang.
Salute, Dallas
Alrighty,
True.
gang.
All right,
Stay
man. We're going to catch you on the next episode, man. We're going to drop the link. You know what I'm saying? If you got anything you want to say on the next episode, you more than welcome to pull up, my guy.
Alright, stay free, stay safe.
All right.
You already know, man. All right, baby. All right, man. So we gonna see what the aftermath look like after this, baby. You know what I'm saying? We'll see if Mr. Lawton go live. see what the so how roll her eyes like she go out nerves, right? You know what I'm saying? And one of our beloved moderators, man, one of my good sisters, beloved moderators, Bahama Mama, for those that may be seeing her in the chat, and for my other generals and generates in blue, Bahama Mama. One of our family members, man, got married this past Saturday, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So even though she may be out doing the honeymoon thing, you know what I'm saying? We want to tell Bahama Mama, congratulations. You know what I'm saying? Congratulations. I hit her up, I messaged her, whatever. But we want to tell Bahama Mama, congratulations. When y'all see Bahama Mama, like, because we may not be live and y'all may see her in another chat. When y'all see her, tell her congratulations. You know what I'm saying? And we pray that God bless their union with stability, prosperity, and continued blessings and success. You feel me? Salute to Bahama Mama, man, for getting married. Man. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, hey, man, look, and we know, and y'all know, man, look, y'all know we've been teasing this R&B verses. We've been teasing this R&B verses, man. Me and CB versus Big Rose and his fiance, his wife, his lady, Melanated Jim. It's going down, baby. Can I get a commitment from you, barring
of course
this Saturday?
My tooth was messed up. I couldn't do shit with my tooth, but yeah, I'm good now. That's taken out, baby. I'm good. I'm ready to go.
All right, let's go then. This Saturday on Twitch. Follow me on Twitch. Let me put my Twitch link in the chat. This Saturday on Twitch. Rose, drop your Twitch as well. You know what I'm saying? This Saturday on Twitch, we will be doing a Black Love R&B versus me and CB, me and my queen versus Rose to his queen, Melanated Jim. You know what I'm saying? We will be celebrating love on that day. You know what I'm saying? We'll be playing R&B, see who got the best R&B playlist. You know what I'm saying? So family, y'all come show up, show out. It will be high noon on Saturday. So I know y'all may be cleaning up, doing what y'all do. You know what I'm saying? Come kick it with us. Get a good R&B playlist to enjoy your day with, man. You know what I'm saying? That will be going down this Saturday. And like we told y'all, the next Legal Chess episode, hold on, we got Shanice in the back. The next Legal Chess episode will most definitely, barring a breaking news from the MO3 case or anything like that, will be the Tupac. You gotta connect. Yeah, you gotta connect your device, Shanice. The next Legal Chess episode will be the Tupac episode. We will be starting it. You know what I'm saying? We'll be starting it.
Yeah, because nothing come through with 3.
Remember 3, if doesn't anything come through with 3, remember 3 is priority, but if nothing comes through with 3, then we good for Tupac.
Right. Most definitely. Yeah. If anything don't come through with MO3, then we most definitely gonna start that Tupac series. You know what I'm saying? We got like 2 or 3 episodes of that already in the tuck. You know what I'm saying? The first episode is gonna be like a foundational episode to where we get caught up so everybody can know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Then episode 2 of the Tupac, we get into the paperwork. Like I said, we've been on this for 30 years, y'all. What happened to Tupac? Is Tupac still alive? So it's only right, man, that we see this through. It's the actual trial going on. No more conspiracy theories. You know what I'm saying? No more what ifs. It's an actual trial going on. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna give Shanice a chance to come back up if she can. You know what I'm saying? We'll give her a couple more minutes. But there go my link in the chat. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go follow me on Twitch. If you haven't followed me on Twitch, then dang, what my other dang man, every time I get here, I can't never have it. I can go grab it real quick. Hold on. We're gonna give Shanice a chance to come back up. Pull back up, Shanice. We want to hear from you. If you can. And also, family, if you are interested, you know what I'm saying? This link right here I'm putting in the chat. Is the link to our church channel. You know what I'm saying? We do church every Sunday over at New World Community Church. You know what I'm saying? Come subscribe. Come join us on Sundays, man. If you don't have a physical church home, hey, man, we do church too. You know what I'm saying? Just on a different channel. It's in the chat right there, New World. Man, y'all go make sure y'all go subscribe to that channel. Subscribe to the New World channel, man. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the New World channel, man. Come join us on Sundays, man. We'll be having a good time over there. Church family, good vibes. Make sure we start the week off good. You know what I'm saying? Come join us, man. It's all love, man. All love over there. A good, solid church family, man. You know what I'm saying? So come join us over at New World Community Church. Because for those that don't know, I am an ordained minister. Yeah, I am an ordained minister. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the baby steps of it, like I love to tell y'all. I ain't gonna be able to say that too long because it's like an excuse. But yes, I am an ordained minister. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we be getting it on over there at New World Church, man. Come join us, man. Come join us, man. Even if you do it from time to time, subscribe to the channel just in case you miss church or just in case you're up one morning and want to go to church, you can know where we at, man. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead, click that link and subscribe to that channel as well. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, what the Godfather say? He said, well, I ain't tripping because nah, man, ain't nobody tripping, SP. Ain't nobody tripping, man. You know what I'm saying?
Player.
I like what y'all doing.
I just say, I'm saying no, I've missed him a long way.
Man, hey, man. We can chop it up. It still say your device not connected, Shanice. I don't know what you're doing or what you're not doing. You know what I'm saying? But it says your device is not connected. You know what I'm saying? You might have to catch the next episode, love. You know what I'm saying? I want to hear from you. I do want to hear from you. I'm gonna keep dropping this church link. Y'all go subscribe, man. Y'all go subscribe. Like I said, even if
thing is going dead.
Okay, well, let's go get up out of here, baby. You got anything you want to say to the people before I do the closing?
Salute to the set. Salute to y'all supporting us. Thank y'all again. Without y'all, we wouldn't even be able to make this possible. So salute to y'all for continuing to support us. We will keep bringing y'all great content. We love y'all. And remember, y'all already know that we all stand on 10 behind this MO3 shit, and we gonna come with it. So salute to y'all. We love y'all.
Most definitely, man. Y'all already know how I'm gonna close it out, how we gonna close it out. You know what I'm saying? First of all, salute to y'all, man, for joining us and helping us get through another dope show. You know what I'm saying? But y'all already know, family, we gonna leave the same way we came in every time. We gonna leave the same way we came in every time, even in a room full of 100 haters. We ain't gonna change, and we will never, ever, ever, ever waver. You know what I'm saying? We're going to always remain some real ones, man. So, look, we hope and pray that y'all do the same, man. Be real to yourself, first and foremost. Be real to yourself and be real to those that are real to you, man. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up always, man. Stay prayed up, man. Keep God first in your life. If that's what you believe in, Keep God first in your life, man. And when y'all saying those prayers, put a prayer in the sky for me and CB, man, because we most definitely be needing them, man. Y'all already know the mantra, though. It's only us. It's only us. Do not let them in, man. It's only us. Don't let them in, man. Until the next episode, which is coming this week, we gonna see y'all then, man. Y'all stay safe, stay dangerous. We love y'all. We appreciate all the love and support that y'all give us, man. We are nothing without y'all, man. It's only us. Don't let them in. Salute to the gang. Shout out to the set. We gonna see y'all next episode. We out.
Guy. On bubble, nigga. 3G4L, nigga. Look. Another state with the game. Got my foot in the sand. Don't mention me in none of your comments. Go pick up your man. Slide and don't say nothing. They go fuck on the bitch. All they know fast in jail, but they don't know what he did. Fuck the comments in a post. This is real life. If I ever catch a op, he gon' die that night. Bro be tryna tell me chill. No, I ain't living right. But he know I'm for the smoke, so don't believe the hype. If I got a step, then it is what it is. Balenciaga print. When I drop the little bitch, walk over him and we won't say nothing. Fuck getting them touched, bitch, I'ma crush him. That's what I'm
body bags, I'm corrupted by homicide. Stuck in war, I'm just trying to get you dropped in somebody. Telling the gang it's only us, don't let them in, we do it on our own. Back 3 on everybody ain't my friend. So I'm around with this crime. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner, so I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got. Lay in your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah.
100 pounds, I broke them down, I swear I ran through them. And if a nigga want them problems, we gon' tend to him. I'm in the trenches, relaxed, chillin' with my feet up in my handgun. Niggas just be talking, but ain't saying nothing. I was taught to watch these niggas and keep a pistol. I be damned if I start laying with my nigga, even though I miss him. Niggas acting like bitches, I don't understand them, I don't get them. Got straight out the trenches with some niggas that'll come key. Remember when my granny told me I'm a man now? She seen a nigga go get it without no hand down. I'm a real nigga, hands down. Stay focused, ain't got time to be playing around. That's a spaceship in, I can hear what they saying now. Good cushion, the L designer symbols all on my belts. Look in the mirror, boy, you good, yeah, I'm just talking to myself. I just be thinking about the hood, like how I came up from there. And we ain't going back, no cost account, I promise, I swear. Yeah, I been going in early in the morning, stacking up this paper till this shit start getting boring. I kill you, that's warning. My niggas be on it. All the fucking money got these bitches acting horny.
Body bags, I'm corrupted by homicide. Stuck in war, I'm just trying to get you dropped in somebody. Telling the gang it's only us, don't let them in, we do it on our own. Back 3 on everybody ain't my friend. So I'm around with this crime. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner, so I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got. Lay in your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah. So I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got it in your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah.